What's up, people, and welcome back to a new stream here on my channel. My name is Dan from CryptoRover. Thank you once again for tuning into this amazing video. Guys, today is a very exciting day. Bitcoin, of course, forming a descending broadening wedge here on the price action of Bitcoin right now. So, of course, we are looking at the 1 hourly time frames. Very exciting what we're having. It's, of course, weekend. We have to take it slow today. But yes, guys, we can see from the previous weekends as well. If we go right away, I will be right away going into the chart. So everyone who's tuning in right now, freaking cool here. I see everyone saying in the chat right now, good morning. So also a lot of people are talking about some altcoins. I see a lot of requests already coming in for Litecoin, for Chainlink, etc. XRP is pumping. So guys, today will be a very exciting day. We're just starting off the stream, so we will be discussing every single thing here. But let's, of course, discuss let's start with Bitcoin. So you can see here in the past weeks, every week we were basically pumping for Bitcoin to the upside for the past week as well here. So do I expect that we're going to see another pump this weekend? Of course, this is only based on the previous weekends, but yes, I do think there is a very likely scenario that we're going to see a break to the upside getting created. Of course, we first have to see this break through this downward sloping resistance line that we are already anticipating on channel for quite a while right now. So yeah, let's see what we're going to do, but I definitely feel very exciting, especially because, yes guys, we were discussing yesterday also on a video. I was uploading a special video about Bitcoin yesterday, and I was talking about the daily support level. So if I right away flip it on to the daily support level once again here, guys, what you can see over here, I mean, you can already fill it in for yourself. And you see, what is up with BNB, guys? There are so many things going on with BNB. I see Crypto Aram also tuning in here. I see everyone saying good morning. So this is absolutely cool here. Make sure to get ready, because it's going to be a very exciting day. I think we are having very exciting price action today. So what you can see for Bitcoin, previously we got stopped out here on the daily candles. We were forming this resistance line over here, but of course, previous resistance will be flipping into support once you're breaking it. So as you can see here on the daily candles, we broke above it, and yeah, we were creating this touch over here. So for everyone who just yesterday, of course, on the channel, if you're looking to the video, if I say it correctly, it was this video. Warning, Bitcoin is going to bounce. If you saw that video, you're doing an absolutely good job here, because we were spelling this, of course, this trade possibility to open a long position around the 61.1k here, and that's already approximately a move of another 1.7%. So if you're leverage trading that, you can be already making, let's say, 20 or even 30%. So that is absolutely cool here. So yeah, Bitcoin is definitely going to bounce in my opinion. Of course, the daily support is just a very important level that you're going to hold on. And also, if we're looking at the indicators, if I flip onto the MACD here, you can see here we're basically still in an uptrend. We haven't broke the trend yet here. MACD is still being very bullish for us. Also, if we flip it onto the EMA ribbon, you can see over here we're still getting supported by the EMA. Even we're right now pretty overextended from the EMA, but I don't think that we have to freak out over here. We're definitely going to see a bounce to the upside getting created. And the funny part about it is that Bitcoin is, once again, you can see Bitcoin decreasing a little bit in valuation, but where Bitcoin is decreasing, you can see all the other altcoins absolutely skyrocketing to the upside. So that's absolutely cool. And yesterday, of course, guys, a coin that I can't ignore is Dogecoin, sitting around the P7 right now. It's sitting at P7. Guys, can you believe it? Dogecoin sitting around P7. We were talking about Dogecoin where it was sitting around P80, where it was sitting P60. I was not buying it or so, but absolutely insane days, guys. Dogecoin sitting around P7, market cap of 42 billion. Absolutely insane. For everyone who's holding Doge, congratulations, sitting around 31 cents. Did I ever expect it? I mean, I was not really anticipating it. Of course, I was buying it. The reason why here is, like I already told you guys, I mean, I only buy Dogecoin as a coin flip. I don't buy it because it has fundamental worth. I buy it because of a coin flip. Because the coin flip, I basically, once I bought my Dogecoin, I already thought, okay, I threw my money away. This is it. This is it for my position. I'm not going to make any profits. I'm just going to see how it will be developing. And of course, it's doing absolutely insane job. But like I told you before, my Dogecoin is a coin that I'm just going to sit on for 10 years. I mean, it's quite funny, right? So looking forward to it. And yeah, definitely think we can be going higher, of course. We are creating big wicks on the lower side. Of course, big short squeezes came in here because, yeah, you can trade Dogecoin on FMX. You can be trading it on Binance, etc. And I mean, imagine if you were long with a low leverage, you were absolutely crushing it because it was a 500% move to the upside. Let's say you're using a 4x leverage, you're already making 20x here, so that's absolutely insane for the ones who are taking. But let me take a quick sip of my coffee, guys. And I see Toro Loco also tuning in here. You're asking me for link. So, guys, I see the first relation also coming in from Ricardo. You're asking me a breakout for Reef on the 1 hour. So let me right away go into Reef. Guys, after Reef, I will be going into BNB because I have some very exciting things to talk about on BNB. But you're asking me the Reef breakout on the 1 hour. So let me flip to the 1 hour chart. Let me look for a possible breakout for you, my friend. So yeah, I mean, yes, the Reef looks like it's having currently a breakout right now. You can see it was maybe forming some kind of a symmetrical triangle here and breaking through the top side of the resistance, right now supporting it. So are we going to create some volatility to the upside? Yes, I do definitely think so. This, of course, on a 1 hourly time frame. So yeah, if you look to the possible price target, it can be pushing up the price approximately towards 4.7 cents. So yeah, Ricardo, if you are right now in a Reef position, I don't think that you're doing a bad job, and I do think, yeah, we can be seeing the volatility to the upside getting created. So guys, before going into all these altcoins, I will be going into BNB. Of course, also will be I will be also discussing Litecoin and yeah, also Litecoin and Chainlink because these are also very exciting. But let me flip onto the chart of BNB compared to Bitcoin first, because I was seeing something very interesting what we are currently seeing for the price action of BNB compared to Bitcoin, because we are right now seeing a falling wedge getting created. Falling wedge getting created on the price section of BNB, of course, as creating a downward sloping resistance line, creating also a downward sloping support line. It's coming closer, and right now it looks like that we're already breaking out here. And of course, guys, you know it. Falling wedges are bullish bias patterns, and once you're seeing a breakout, this can be yeah, leading to approximately a surge of 50% compared to Bitcoin. So is this a very good thing? Yes, I do think so. And my reason that I think that it's going to break to the upside, I mean, I have two reasons why I do think it's going to break to the upside. First of all, it's a bullish bias pattern. I mean, I have even three reasons. So first of all, it's a bullish bias pattern. Second of all, we are in a bull market. And at my third reason, you can see, of course, yesterday I couldn't stream, unfortunately, but this was the news from yesterday. We can see Binance did another insane burn. They burned approximately 600 million US dollars worth of BNB tokens. Absolutely insane. That is also the reason why people are getting very, very exciting once again about the price action of Binance Coin. So is it really worth to buy into Binance Coin, especially if you're talking for the long run? Yes, I do think so. They're burning more and more tokens. It's getting more and more scarce as well. So is it a good project? Is it worth to buy into? Yes, I do think so. And just like the likes of Retro.com, etc., they're doing the exact same. But guys, you have to know it. Especially, like, I bought my BNB especially for a purpose for 10 years because, yes, they are burning every single month more tokens. They are burning every 3 months more tokens. So is it smart to hold it and just sit on it? Yes, I do think so. And, of course, Binance is not the only coin that you can be sitting on for such a long run because they are burning tokens. There are way other projects that are doing the same. Of course, Dogecoin is also going to burn tokens. Absolutely exciting. But yeah, this is also my reason why I do think, yeah, we're going to probably see this breakout to the upside getting created. And what will this be meaning for the BNB compared to US dollar chart? Because in the end of the day, yes, we want to be looking for BNB to compare to US dollar as well here. And if you look to the US dollar valuation, this maybe looks something like, guys, you can see it already, something like a bull flag or so. Because you can see you're having a huge run up. Very nice consolidation, parallel consolidation here to the downside, of course. It looks to be a bull flag, downsloping resist line, downsloping support line. Looks very exciting. I definitely think we can be seeing a break to the upside. And of course, guys, if we're going to see a break to the upside, this will be absolutely insane surge. So I'm already looking forward to it. Let's see where it is heading towards. But I definitely think we can be riding BNB to new optimize anytime soon here, guys. And it's also definitely worth to be trading maybe low leverage trades is will be definitely working. If you're trading BNB, I should definitely use low leverage trades because yes, we are pretty overextended, and yes, there's always a probability that we're going to see a correction. And I mean, yeah, if you look at the chart, yes, we are pretty overextended, so that can also be the reason that we can be seeing significant dump off. So let me go into the price action of Chainlink before really moving into other price actions, because yesterday, guys, I mean, lately we have been really killing it. And guys, for everyone who haven't liked the video yet here, we're currently watching with 700 viewers. Can we smash it up to 70? We're currently having 75 likes. So can we smash it up to 200 likes? That would be absolutely insane, guys. Hitting that like button will be, of course, very supportive because then you are supporting the channel completely for free. And besides that, you're also helping me to beat the YouTube algorithm. Come on, guys, let's work all together. Let's smash up these likes to 200 likes. That would be absolutely insane. So what you can see for Chainlink compared to US dollar, resist line getting formed. And also, this was also discussed yesterday in the video that I make. Don't sell your Bitcoin over here. Warning, Bitcoin is going to bounce. And I mean, yeah, we are, of course, exactly like predicted, it bounced to the upside. So it's absolutely looking beautiful. But for Chainlink, we also discussed this one, that we are probably going to create a bounce to the upside. So yesterday we discussed this over here. Once making a video, we were seeing this candle sitting over here, and I thought, okay, guys, we can see previous resistance will most likely flip in very strong support. And yes, we did so. Right away, surge to the upside once again. Looks absolutely beautiful. I definitely think that we're going to create more volatility to the upside. Even though if we're going to set a new all-time high, we're going to create a bearish divergence. Because yes, guys, you can see here, downward slope, you're creating a lower high in the RSI, probably a higher high in the chart. So you can already probably spot the bearish divergence because yes, the cool-off period over here was pretty significant. But let's see what it is heading towards. I definitely feel very excited. Definitely think that we can be seeing a new all-time high today. Can it create for the price action of Link? And the reason why I'm saying this as well here is, of course, because of the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin chart. And we've been discussing this chart for quite a while here on the channel as well. I made a special video about Chainlink. I made here Chainlink is going to $100 sooner than expected. And for everyone who was not watching the video yet here, it's definitely worth checking out here. But let me give you some things here, what I currently think. So you can see here Chainlink forming symmetrical triangle over here. You can see a very beautiful symmetrical triangle is getting formed here on the price section of Chainlink compared to Bitcoin on daily candles. And yeah, we are having a breakout for the last 3 days here, and we're creating the volatility to the upside. So when do I think it's over? I do think that we're going to reach the price target, and that's still a surge of 44% to the upside. So is it still worth to trade some Chainlink? Yes, it is definitely worth so. And I see also some donations coming into the chat here. I see Nehem, I don't know, still, I'm very bad with pronouncing names, I'm sorry. But Nehem, you're saying, I took 75% profits on Litecoin at $300 US. Any new trades? So you are absolutely crushing it right now. Hopefully we can be spotting some new trades. And I will be talking a little bit about Chainlink, of course, because yes, I still think that we are having some good trade opportunities. So Isaac, you're asking me, what's going on with Harmony? Thank you. So Isaac, I will be going into Harmony in a second. And also G-Handles ask me, what do I think about Verizon? So these are coins that I will be discussing in a second. Give me a moment. First, we'll be discussing the likes of Chainlink before really moving into the different coins. So what are we currently seeing for Chainlink? I mean, I was first looking for Chainlink at the bull flag scenario. I mean, I was seeing this over here. I was seeing a bull flag getting created on the price section of Chainlink. You can see it's downward sloping resist line, downward sloping support line. A very beautiful bull flag getting created. And I mean, it's not the most beautiful, to be honest. You want to be seeing a more stealth run up after this consolidation to the downside. But in general, I don't feel very bad on the price section of Chainlink. Because yes, in the bigger picture, it all looks good here. So definitely the volatility will be created to the upside. So let me go into the price section of Harmony one. And I will be, of course, looking for new trade possibilities. I will be definitely looking for new trade possibilities. But of course, I will be only trading once seeing a very good opportunity. And of course, with Litecoin, we're doing absolutely an insane job here. But I will be not rushing into anything anytime soon here. So what are we having for Harmony 1 here? You can see we're forming once again down sloping resistance line. And let me remove these lines over here. Let me remove all these lines to just make a clear view. Let's get a different view on the chart. You can see our down sloping resistance line getting formed here, and this looks to be a part sloping support line. But even though I don't really like that we are only having 2 touches, so maybe if we're extending this level, you can see we're having a touch point over here. But I don't really like that, to be honest. So I do want to be seeing maybe another touch point coming in before recalling this significant enough, because probably if we're going to break out, we're not really going to reach a price target, because this pattern is not really showing the significance, because we're only having 2 touch points on the support line. So what I basically want to be seeing here is, of course, maybe another rejection from the top side. But in general, if we're going to break this rejection, guys, if we're going to break this resist line, we're definitely going to create more volatility to the upside. I feel very excited if we're going to do so, because you can see over here, we already have 3 rejections on the top side. So if we're going to break it, want to be waiting for the retest. If you're opening a trade on the retest, you definitely are doing an insane good job here, and you can be looking for some more volatility to the upside getting created. Of course, price target of the symmetrical triangle is higher, but like I told you before, please don't anticipate that we're exactly going to reach this price target, because I don't think it's a really significant symmetrical triangle. So yeah, I mean, the price target is sitting around 20 cents here. It can be a surge to the upside of approximately 25%, 30% even. So that's very exciting. So let's see if it is really going to break out to the upside. So then G Handle was asking me, what do I think about VRA? What do I think about VRA? So I see also Jano Gaming saying to me, inverse and shows on link 1 hour. So let me go into the link price section in a second. I see also a lot of requests coming in, guys. I like I told you before, always trying to do my best here, guys, to discuss every single thing in the chart. And I mean, yeah, there are coming so many requests here in the chat, so I will be doing my best to, of course, discuss every single thing here. But sometimes there are just too many requests, so I will be doing my best, guys. Like you can expect from me, like always. So what are we having with Variety? You can see it looks to be like some kind of a parallel channel. I mean, I can draw a parallel channel over here. I can select a parallel channel, and you can see we're creating a parallel uptrend here. You can easily draw this one, to be honest. So you can see over here. Let me do this like this. So you're having resistance at the top side, support at the lower side, and you're sending higher lows and higher highs. So what does it mean? This basically tells for me that we are in an uptrend. So we are basically in an uptrend. It's very likely that we're going to find some resistance at this level and see correction coming in here. So is it smart to open your position right here? I mean, yeah, it can be so, because yes, you're crushing through previous resistance and right now flipping it into support. Because if you look to this if I look to the trend line, of course, you can see you're breaking through the previous high, right now finding support on it. So it will be likely that we're going to find some more support on it. I do think, yes, it's very likely. But is it really worth to opening a position over there? I don't think so. I don't think so. It's not showing the volatility yet here. Also creating a bearish divergence on the 4 hour. That's the reason why I should be taking it with a lot of caution. Guys, bearish divergence usually signifying that we're going to see a reversal on the market. But like I told you before, we are in a bull market, and once we are in a bull market, usually we are getting these bearish crossovers, these bearish sell indicators are telling us, okay, we have to go out of the price section, but in the end of the day, they're still going to pump to the upside. So let's see what it will be doing, but it's a thing that I can't ignore. Bearish divergence. Previously, we also did not hold on to the supportive line from a previous high, so hopefully we can be doing it right now, because if we're really going to bounce from off this level another time, yes, maybe we can be breaking through this resist line on the top side, and if we can be breaking through that line, of course, want to be waiting on the retest. But then would you be? Then this is your entry target, of course, and then you can be moving higher. So very exciting times here. Let's see where it is heading towards. But yeah, very exciting days. So then also just donating to the channel. Guys, I will be going into Ethereum. After the donations are done, I will be going into Ethereum and Litecoin. So I see Josh asking me, what do you think about Siacoin? So let me go into the price section of Siacoin. Of course, it's pretty significantly pumping to the upside. Of course, let me set up right away this Fibonacci over here. Let me draw this correctly, like this. Because yes, we are in price discovery right now. We are in price discovery, and it's very hard to spot some levels of support and resistance once you're sitting at these high levels. So what are we going to do? We are crushing through the 0.059 cents here. So that's very exciting, because you can see previously it got rejected, and since getting a rejection after that, you can see we're creating the volatility on the green candle. So it's definitely looking very exciting. And what we are right now seeing is, of course, insane volatility created to the upside. Probably if we're going to retest this 2.618 here, of course, we're going to find very good support on it. But guys, you have to know, we just opened a new 4-hourly candle. This 4-hourly candle closed above this Fibonacci level. So do I expect that we're going to see a drop off to the downside? I do think we will be at least holding on to the 2.618, and I do think, yeah, it's not over. It looks to be not over yet here, but yeah, we are extremely overextended on the 4 hour. Should I be entering right now, Siacoin? No, definitely not. Should I take some profits? I mean, yes, once you're sitting so overextended in the RSI, it's never bad to take some profits. I think, yeah, you're going pretty fast to the upside, but it's not really worth to enter right now. Guys, there's so many requests coming into the chat here. I see also Alex asking me, what do you think about Dent, bro? So let me go into the price section of Dent. And guys, after this, I will be going back into the request in a second because I want to be discussing the likes of Litecoin real quickly because I do feel very excited about Litecoin and I do want to be discussing some things here. I mean, I'm still in the trade that we opened all together. We opened that trade all together in the stream, guys. That was absolutely insane trade, of course. We're still in it. I mean, I'm still in it. So let's see what we're going to do, but you can see over here. You can see over here, falling wedge getting created, breaking out to the upside. Right now, seeing the breakout coming in here. What's the price target? Price target, of course, can be pushing up the price pretty significantly. It can be a pump of approximately 68%. That's absolutely insane pump here. And that's absolutely insane what we're currently seeing. So that would be a very nice move to the upside. So are we going to see it? I do think, yes, we can be seeing this movement started anytime soon here. So do I feel excited about this one? Yes, I do feel very excited. Yeah, let's see what it will be doing. Let's see what it will be doing. But right now, finally breaking this downward sloping resistance line. This can be a sign of a reversal. So it looks very exciting. So also getting a $20 donation from Lawrence. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, of course. So let me finish it up with Abdullah here real quickly. And you're saying, bro, please check out show. It's morning, and I can't believe it's going to go be way better than Doge. So let me check this price chart out for you, my friend. So my friend, right away, will be saying is I don't really like these charts that don't really show me the significance. So let's see what it is doing. But Cho, it's sitting around P2000s. So I mean, yeah, it's a very low cap altcoin. So is it a risk? Yes, definitely a gamble. And I mean, yeah, Dogecoin is also a gamble, but this one also looks like a coin flip. So I will be staying away from it. Probably it's a meme coin. I mean, yeah, they can be pumping, but I really don't like it to buy in coins without fundamentals. I mean, I only buy into Dogecoin. That's the only coin that I can afford to buy into with no fundamentals. So, of course, do your own research. But I don't think that anything is going to beat Doge. I don't think that any coin will be beating Doge here because Doge is the OG. And just like Bitcoin is the OG, nothing will be beating the OG. So Kyle also asked me, can you check Decentraland? So let me get it in front of me as well. Let me get it in front of me. You can see Decentraland, of course. Let me go away from the Kraken chart because I don't like Kraken, of course. I mean, I don't really like the wicks that they are always creating. So, yeah, what you can see over here, if I extend this parallel channel, you can see very exciting what we are having in this parallel channel. You can see we are, of course, finding resistance at the top set each and every time. And I mean, I can even get this away from this parallel channel, and I can just draw this rectangle over here. You can see previous resistance, we got stopped out over here, got stopped out. And once breaking above it, you are just retesting it successfully as support. So is this a good buying opportunity? Yes, definitely. For everyone who was buying over here, you're doing an absolutely insane job here. And I mean, yeah, this was definitely providing you the opportunity to get into this chart. And yeah, I do feel that we're probably going to see more volatility to the upside getting created. We're just starting off here. You can even look at this chart in a different way and maybe approach it like you can maybe approach it differently. No, you can't approach it differently. So I don't really have a specific price target for this one. But yes, we are looking very exciting, finally breaking through the resistance. So in my opinion, yes, we're in price discovery. Let's see if we can be maybe setting up a Fibonacci or so. Because if I set up a Fibonacci, we can be maybe spotting some levels of resistance and we can be giving you potential price targets. And for potential price targets, guys, I think the 1.618 will be, of course, the first resistance that we will be meeting here. And that's sitting around to $1.48 here. Very exciting if we're going to reach that level. Probably going to find very, very big resistance once reaching that. But definitely in general, I feel very excited about the level. Let's see once we're going to reach it. Because once reaching that level, I do think there is a high probability that we're going to get a correction. But if we're really going to smash through that level, I mean, it's not stopping anytime soon here. It's not going to stop anytime soon here. So let me go real quickly into the price action of Litecoin, guys. Before I see a lot of donations still coming in here, before going into that, I want to be discussing the trades, guys. Because yes, I mean, I've been still in my trades here. And let me get it in front of the screen right now. You can see over here, I'm still in my trades. It's absolutely rocking right now. You can see over here, pretty nice trades. Let me get it correctly in the screen. Yeah, so like this. So you can see here my Litecoin trade currently 5,000%, sorry, 1,700% in profit. It's absolutely insane trade, guys. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. I mean, I will be closing my trade right here. I mean, I don't really want to be closing it, but I want to be taking some profits here, so I will be probably doing it live in the stream. But guys, I was building up this position. It's not a very big position, but a very high leverage trade. So, I mean, high leverage is only a 20x leverage, but right now making $5,000 from it. So, I mean, very good. Approximately 1,700% in profit. Absolutely going to crush it. Can't wait where we are heading towards. I can see here, these red realized P&L is basically the funding fees that I have to pay each and every 8 hours. So that's pretty unfortunate. I have to pay so many funding fees. But of course, once everyone is in profit, we have to also pay funding fees because that's just how it works. That's pretty unfortunate, but that is just how it works. The long traders are paying the shorts are paying the longs, and once the shorts can't pay the longs, we have to pay the longs as well. So that is just how it works. But yeah, I definitely think my Bitcoin trade can be going way higher. But Litecoin, of course, going to the upside, like we discussed earlier on, we're discussing this trade. And for everyone who didn't took the trade yet here, I mean, we will be, of course, looking for next opportunities. I don't think it will be specifically in Litecoin, even though that I do think Litecoin is going to create huge follow-through to the upside. For everyone who do want to be training us and do want to be joining us with the trades, because as you can see, each and every single trade, guys, what you can right now see in front of your screen, we open these trades all live together. So that's the very exciting part about it. So if you're interested in training with us, definitely make sure to sign up with the FEMX referral link in the description. And for everyone, just quickly want to be doing a question here for everyone who is wondering right now. FEMX is offering me right now to do another competition. Do you guys want to do a competition with me? Do you guys want to have another training competition where we can be making some extra gains here? Because they're asking me right now. And of course, if you guys want it, we can definitely do a competition all together. Would be, of course, very amazing if we're going to do so. But yeah, what I just in general think about Litecoin, I do feel very excited about Litecoin. And the reason why here is yesterday also on the Twitter page, I was tweeting about it. Because you can see here falling wedge getting created since the 16th of July 2019. So this is approximately a pattern that is almost here for 2 years here. So this pattern, the Litecoin compared to Bitcoin chart is already in this falling wedge for approximately 2 years. And we are right now seeing the breakout. So this is absolutely insane, guys. We're finally seeing the breakout coming in here. Are we going to see this move of approximately 140% getting created compared to Bitcoin? Yes, I definitely think so. Will it be happening very quickly? Yes, definitely, I think so. So, will I be still standing in my trades? Yes, I do. I will be standing in my trades for a moment. Because, yes, I do think we can be maybe heading towards this level very quickly. Of course, we'll be taking some profits along the way, but it looks already pretty interesting. Litecoin sitting around $326 right now. So yeah, it is very exciting. But yeah, in general, if you look at a bigger chart as well, you can see over here. And this is a very exciting chart, by the way, and I haven't discussed this one here. And I see a lot of requests coming in here, guys, now in the chat. So give me a moment before going into your request. Which you can see over here. This is very exciting because we were closing the daily candle above this resistance target, and this was very important for me. The $307 was cleared, and you can see we're finding support on it, and right now we are moving higher. So can we be moving towards the $385? And that is, of course, the previous all-time high of the price action of Litecoin. Are we going to break it? Yes, I do think so, of course. In general, we were creating a big W form over here. Broke out on the W to the upside. Forms we already getting created, but I definitely think we're going to reach it to $385 anytime soon here. Let's see when we are going to do it. Of course, that is the reason why I'll still be riding this trade to new all-time highs, but I feel very excited about it. We're very excited about it. So then we are having the first donation from Jonathan Ader. I see you're saying love what you're doing here with the channel. Would you give your opinion about Bittorrent? Bittorrent is so popular, it has to start moving up, right? So let me get the chart of Bittorrent in front of me. And while I'm looking to the chart, guys, in the meantime, I will be taking a quick sip of my coffee. And if you want to be helping me as well here, you can be smashing up these likes, guys. Currently having 1,000 viewers, absolutely insane. Absolutely insane, guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Just have to take a quick sip of my coffee, of course. Because yeah, in the end of the day, coffee is extremely lovely. What can I do without coffee, right? So you're saying Bittorrent is extremely bullish, etc. It will be starting moving up. So that's basically your opinion. My opinion is a little bit different. I mean, I can see here a parabolic run-up getting started on the price section of the Bittorrent very quickly on the daily. So it is going up very quickly. And once you are having a parabolic run-up and you're seeing this correction coming in, so the parabolic run-up is ending, you're reversing a trend. You're not in a bull. I mean, yeah, we are still in a bull market, but I mean, you reverse the parabolic trend, and I do think we're going to see some consolidation because yes, it was getting pretty overextended over here. And if we're going to go higher, if we're really going to set a higher high, we're definitely going to create huge bearish divergence. So, is it smart to get exposed right now? I don't think so. Will this coin, will Bittorrent give you the most returns? No, I don't think so. Will I be staying away from Bittorrent? I will be staying away from it because I don't think it will be giving me the best returns. And I do think it's very likely to see Bittorrent to have some consolidation. So, what you can also see here, if I shoot real quickly, set up a Fibonacci retracement tool here, guys. As you can see, we already ignored the 0.5. After the 0.5, this is a very important thing to see here. You can see we bounced to the upside. We not even bounced higher towards the 0.236 here. So it's basically a dead cat bounce. After dead cat bounce, you're correcting, setting a higher low, setting a lower highs. So we're still on a downtrend. Nothing really reversed there. The 0.618 here is of course still providing you support. Yeah, I mean, guys, I should not really look to buy into it right now. I'm staying away from it. I don't think it's the best asset that you can be getting exposed to right now. So of course, it really depends on your own strategy. But if you want to be making the most gains, I don't think Bittorrent is right now the best coin to buy. I don't think it's the best coin to buy. So 3D Nick, also named to the channel once again here. You're saying, good morning, Rover. I am already 30% up on the ADA trade. What are your thoughts? So let's discuss ADA. Guys, yeah, you're already in pretty good job here. So we were discussing ADA as well here yesterday on the channel. We were making a special video about it that I feel very excited about price action of ADA. And there are multiple reasons for that. So for everyone who is taking the trades here on the channel, you are absolutely rocking it. And yeah, if you want to be joining the trades, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel because we're currently also 17 subscribers away from the 33.1k. It would be amazing if we can reach it today. But guys, if you want to be joining these trades on the channel, make sure to definitely join the community here in the Discord server because yeah, we're just doing everything together here. I mean, I feel very responsible for you guys, and of course, I'm willing to ride this bull market all together with you guys. So, what you can see over here, I will be going into the Cardano compared to Ethereum and Bitcoin valuation because these charts are looking very exciting. But first of all, Cardano compared to USDT. Resistance, resistance, breaking through, support, support. So previous resistance flipping into support, very exciting to see. After that, you can see we are still bouncing from off this level. Yes, we're creating some lower lows in the RSI. Yeah, the momentum is cooling off for a second. But I do think we're making ourselves ready for an insane lag either direction. So what you can see also over here on the 1 hourly time frame, we're not really forming a clear downward sloping resistance line. Yeah, maybe over here, but we did not have the second touch yet here. Also creating some kind of a descending bouldering wedge here. Of course, if we're going to see a breakout of this descending bouldering wedge, we're really going to see a reversal either direction. Do think that it's more likely to see a breakout to the upside getting created, but I don't feel in general this is really a pattern that I should be playing because I don't really like it, to be honest. But I mean, the most exciting chart here is for me. You can see, by the way, yesterday we were seeing this perfect retest coming in here while doing this upload, of course. But you can see over here, the Cardano compared to Bitcoin valuation is the chart that is making me feel very bullish about Cardano because, in general, guys, I am here to make the most amount of gains and to accumulate the most amount of Bitcoin. And how can I do so? I can do it to look at coins and compare them compared to Bitcoin. So Cardano compared to Bitcoin. Symmetrical triangle, very big support that we're trading at. Symmetrical triangle playing out, breaking out to the upside, finding support at the previous resistance. What are we going to do? We're going to definitely reach a price target. Price target is still from the point where we are currently at here. Another move of 26% to the upside. And of course, in the US dollar chart, that will be also, if Bitcoin is just not going to do anything, that will be also another 27% move. So if Bitcoin is even going to move in its percentages, it will be even more for Cardano. So it's absolutely bullish. And that's not the only best chart that I can see at the moment. I know we are right now looking at Cardano compared to Ethereum. Also, very exciting chart. You can see here, we're creating tops each and every time on this level. We were getting rejected multiple times, and since breaking above it, you can see we were finding support on it, finding support another time on it. And what you can also see over here, guys, is of course right now forming a descending triangle. So descending triangles, I know these are bearish bias patterns, but guys, can you be trading against a trend? I don't think so. I don't think it's a smart thing to trade against a trend. I think the trend has to be your friend. And as you can see right here, we are still in the bull market forming this descending triangle. We're definitely going to see a breakout anytime soon here. And I also saw a different donation coming in here. We'll be taking a look into it in a second here. But in general, I feel very excited about this, guys. I definitely think we're going to see a break to the upside getting created. So can't wait to see where we are heading towards. So Sep, I see your donation, but I will be first discussing the different ones because we currently have a lot of donations still open here, so we'll be going to every single one before going into your request. So give me a moment. And oh, there are some spammers in the chat. That's not a good thing. That's never good. So I think I missed some super chats, so that's pretty unfortunate. Let me get this correctly. So let me see. So I see Mohammed asking me. At first I saw Martin donating, but it disappeared from the screen, so I can't see your donation anymore coming in. So I know I saw something with XRP. So Martin, I will be discussing XRP for you. So let me see what I currently have for XRP. So this is pretty unfortunate what you're currently seeing with XRP, to be honest, because yeah, we were of course finding support at these Fibonacci levels very good, and right now as you can see here, you are breaking above this Fibonacci level. Breaking above the 0.5. And you can see it was acting as support, but yes, just yesterday we were closing below it, and right now we're finding it as resistance. So is this unfortunate to see? Yes, it is definitely unfortunate to see. Do I think it's over? Not necessarily. Not necessarily. I do think it's it not has to be over here. But of course, this is already showing us a big red flag here, and I do want to be raising awareness on the 4-hourly. You can see finding support, right now flipping into resistance. But yeah, we are retesting, we are knocking on the door. We are also breaking this downward sloping resistance line over here. I do think that we're just going to see falls to the upside again create anytime soon here. I mean, in general, I'm talking about the market strength and the market trend, and I do want to be trading with the trend, and that is also my reason why I definitely think that XRP is not over yet here, even though that we are not holding on to this supportive line in the Fibonacci chart. So Mohammed also donating to the channel. You're saying, please look at Ant USDT. It's breaking out $8 to take profit. So Ant, let me look at it in front. Let me get it in front of the screen here. So let me see. On what are we having currently? You're saying it's breaking out. Yeah, it's already breaking out. Yeah, you were forming maybe an ascending triangle here on the price section of Ant. So what you can see. Let me remove all the drawings by the way here. What you can see over here. As horizontal resistance was getting formed here, upper sloping support line was getting formed. You're basically forming an ascending triangle. So of course, ascending triangles very bullish bias patterns. Definitely excited that you're seeing the breakout playing out over here. And since seeing the breakout, you can see a move to the upside was getting created, and that's of course very exciting. Already reaching the price target, and you're saying $8 price target. Maybe you're looking at a bigger breakout on a bigger time frame. So I don't necessarily expect an $8 breakout of this. I mean, I don't necessarily expect $8 because of this breakout, but it's definitely very exciting what we currently can see here. Also setting up the Fibonacci. Definitely the next target is $2.91 here. I do want to be staying realistic with you guys. And if I be really realistic with you guys, I definitely think the next target is $2.91 here. So let's see once we are going to reach it, but it will be here anytime soon. So that's definitely very exciting. So let me go into the next request here. I see also Matthew is donating to the channel. You're saying, can you check out KB? Of course, I am in at 3 cents. Am I an idiot or a genius? So let me discuss that real quickly. I mean, I will be never calling you an idiot, but I maybe have to say something about this. I maybe have to say something about this because this for me looks clearly like a parabolic run-up that is ending. Of course, recently got launched, parabolic run-up, ending the trend. Looks like we're going to have a correction, but of course you want to be buying into a correction. You want to be buying the lows and not the highs. So we want to be looking for a reversal. If I should be really calling this a good one. So, I mean, yeah, right now what you can see over here, we're forming a symmetrical triangle, of course. And this is very exciting because, yes, we're right now breaking the resistance line. And you said I bought at 0.003 cents, basically. So, it's a good buy. I don't think it's necessarily a bad buy, to be honest. I do think that we can be heading towards higher levels, especially because we're right now breaking out of symmetrical triangle. It can be showing the follow through maybe towards the 4.2 cents here. Is it a bad buy? Not necessarily. And I mean, in general, I should be saying, of course, we are having a parabolic run-up, and we're ending it, and we're probably going to have some consolidation. But I mean, yeah, the market sentiment is just basically to the upside. So you want to be trading with the trend, and you're right now buying into the dip. So it's a very good buying opportunity. And yes, you are not. You're absolutely ingenious. I have to say it, you're a genius. Very exciting. Hopefully you can be making some more gains. Let's see what you're going to do here in the coming hours and coming weeks here, because yes, there will be probably volatility to the upside getting created in the coming days. Of course, if we're going to create a high, I think the bearish divergence is very likely to print here, because we were getting pretty overextended over here, and we were sitting around 84 in the RSI. And if we're going to see a new all-time high getting created, I do think it is not necessarily going to take out the previous high in the RSI. So please get careful. It's probably getting pretty overextended right now. So hopefully you can be still making good gains, and it will be ignoring the bearish divergence. So let me see. XRP Super Chat Martin. Yeah, I mean, I already discussed it, man. I see someone spamming in the chat here. I'll be right away hiding that user. So, I see Renee also donated to the channel. And you're saying, can you look at VeChain? And everything is up. Okay, I see every single. I see all the donations still coming in, but I just have to catch up real quickly. And after that, I will be going into different things again, once again. So, we'll be discussing VeChain real quickly. It's of course the donation from Renee. Let me look at it. So what is VeChain doing? Of course, VeChain was heading towards the 28 cents. Guys, it's absolutely insane. It's absolutely insane what VeChain is doing. And I mean, for everyone, I know, I love VeChain as well. I love it as well. And I definitely want to be seeing more volatility getting created on the price section of VeChain. But guys, I think that I just can't ignore here is that we're having a parabolic run up here. You can see parabolic run getting started. We're getting pretty overextended. You want to be careful. You want to be careful because we're probably going to see a huge reversal here. I mean, it's not for me. It's for me not really interesting. For me, it's not really interesting to buy right now because it is so overextended. You can see here, it's a parabolic run-up. And guys, you have to know, parabolic run-ups, they don't last forever. They will be ending. And just like VeChain, of course, very exciting. But it will be ending. It will be ending. It will be not going up forever. And once, of course, seeing a reversal, it's going to be a pretty long period of consolidation, or maybe downward sloping momentum is kicking in here. So please be careful. Don't be overexcited. Of course, there's still a possibility that we're absolutely going towards the 50 cents or so, and that we're not going to stop anytime soon here. But if we're really going to see a correction in the chart, if we're really going to see a sideways action or a correction to the downside, I should be really being careful. And right now is for me not the buying opportunity that I would like to have here for VeChain. For me, I'm staying away. So Richard also doing to the channel. You're saying, can you check FAT and HOT? I will be only checking one for you because otherwise it is getting way too long. And I want to be also discussing the other requests because I still see I have to catch up with 3 other requests as well. I mean, today is a very busy day, guys. I think it's also a very exciting day in general. So for all the people that are new to the channel, I see that we are just reaching the 33.01k here. So that's absolutely insane that we just reached this insane target, guys. Thank you so much for smashing up that subscriber button. And for in the meantime, guys, I see also that we are only 17 likes away from the 300 likes. So can we also smash it up to 300 likes? That will be absolutely insane. Would be very lovely if we can do so, because then we are just crushing through other levels, and let's see if we can be reaching it. I think we can if we work together, because usually I have to remind you guys to smash up these likes. I usually have to remind you guys that you have to be smashing up these likes, but only 13 likes, I think we can be doing it. I see also people saying VeChain is going to be $1 this year easily. I mean, I'm not saying it's not going to reach $1. I'm only saying that I'm staying conservative with buying into it right now. I definitely think, yeah, $1 is not out of the books. So what are we having with Fetch AI? What are we currently having with Fetch AI? We are currently, can see here, we're finding support at the lower side. We are breaking above the top side here. We are breaking above this resistance target. And since breaking above it, we were not able to find support on it. We're not able to find support on it. Let me see. So on Fetch AI, we were not able to find support on it once we were breaking above it. But you can see over here, breaking below it, once again finding support at the lower side here, move to the upside, got rejected once again on this level, broke to the downside, find support once again over here. So what are we doing? We are consolidating, guys. This is called consolidation. Consolidation is not bad necessarily. We're just reaccumulating. We're making ourselves ready for an insane leg up either direction. But you can see over here right now, it looks to be some kind of head and shoulders, guys, as you can see. Head and shoulders bearish bias pattern, because you can see high getting created, higher high getting created, lower high getting created. We're losing buying strength. We're losing buying strength. And can this be also providing us a breakdown? I think, yeah, it is not really showing us the strength, to be honest. And if we're going to look at the descending triangle, this can be pushing the price towards the 25 cents here. But if we're going to break to the upside, it can be pushing the price towards the $1 approximately. Really depends which direction we're going to go towards. But I don't think that I have to feel absolutely bullish about it because, yeah, you can see it's pretty unfortunate that we are right now getting stopped out of here and we're forming a lower high structure once again. So we're forming a downward sloping resistance line. So, yeah, I do want to be staying conservative with this one. I don't think that we're necessarily looking bullish on this chart. Good day, everyone. So that's Shelro saying. San Diego also very cool. Just got here. You're famous now, Rover. We'll have 100k subscribers in a couple months. That will be amazing if we can be reaching the target. So then we are getting another donation from Diva, and thank you for your donation. You're saying your views for a possible XRP breakout today. So let me go once again back into the XRP price. And of course, we were discussing XRP earlier on as well. And my thoughts here for a possible XRP breakout today are very bright. Of course, we first have to be breaking through the 0.5 once again here. If we're going to break through this level, of course, we're forming a resistance on it right now. You can see previous support flipping into resistance right now. This is definitely a level that we have to be breaking before I can be flipping extremely bullish once again here. Before I can flip extremely bullish again here. And Dean Harvey, you're saying he did Chainlink earlier today in the stream already. But guys, you have to know, for everyone who did not install Chainlink yet here, we'll be going into Chainlink in a second because I have some more things to discuss. I want to go a little bit more into depth. But yeah, we'll be going into that in a moment. I will be going into that in a moment once again, because at first I want to be discussing all the super chats, of course, in the channel. I don't want to miss out of them, but you can see here, maybe forming some kind of a bull flag here. You can be even calling this a bull flag, in my opinion, on the 4 hourly candles. Are we going to see a breakout going to get created on the XRP price section anytime soon? Yes, there's a very likelihood that we're going to create. So, I mean, my prediction, guys, for the $3 is still here. I definitely think we're going to see huge volatility to the upside and create anytime sooner. And if we're going to really break to the upside, it's probably going to go absolutely parabolic. So, can't wait to see where XRP is heading towards. I don't think it's over. Make sure, for everyone who hasn't signed up with Bybit, I am currently trading XRP on Bybit. I'm still sitting in my position, still bigger, building bigger positions. Trading XRP on Bybit, so you can be signing up over there. Would be amazing if you're using the referral link in the description if you want to get some bonuses as well. But it's definitely worth checking out because XRP looks absolutely bullish to me, and I think we can be seeing a stealth breakup to the upside once again getting created anytime soon here. So in general, want to be seeing a breakthrough of this resistance line, aka also a breakthrough of this Fibonacci level over here. So definitely want to be seeing more momentum to the upside shifting before really calling this breakout to the upside. So I feel very excited. So guys, I still see I have to do another 6 super chats because I'm lagging behind 6 super chats. So right now I have an overview. I installed something and right now I see everything here in front of me. So it's very exciting. So BM is asking me, what are your thoughts on ORN? What are your thoughts on ORN? So let me quickly look at ORN here. Let me remove this drawing and let me right away. I mean, let me set up a Fibonacci. Let me set up a Fibonacci. Identify this swing low to the swing high to see some reversal levels that we can be probably find some good support at. So what you can see over here, let me flip to the 4 hourly candles, by the way. So yeah, we were going lower. So we are going lower. Golden pocket entry not really supported. We're getting major rejections by this level, so that's pretty unfortunate. So what you can see here right now, we're moving to the downside, forming a downward sloping resistance line. Forming a downward sloping resistance line, also forming a downward sloping support line. So forming some kind of an ascending broadening wedge here. Very exciting to see here. So what are we currently having here is, of course, if we're breaking to the upside here, if we're going to break this resistance line, we are forming a reversal. We are forming this reversal pattern because, yeah, descending broadening wedges are usually reversal patterns if we're going to break out to the upside, of course. So definitely very exciting what we currently can see. First, have to see a breakthrough of this level before really calling a reversal. I mean, if you also flip onto the MACD, you can see it's probably still on a down. Yeah, we are starting maybe a new uptrend over here. So it's very exciting to see. Let me flip it to the daily. Because you can see over here, the daily is very bearish, not a bullish crossover yet here. But it looks like the blue crossover will be happening anytime soon here. So probably going to switch the momentum to the upside anytime soon. So of course, having a stealth run up here, correction has already been here. We're trading at the 0.5. Usually the 0.5 is the halfway of the trend, so it's going to find a lot of good support around this level. Don't think that we're necessarily going to see a break lower. I don't think maybe some consolidation is imminent, but yeah, consolidation or a move to the upside is more likely to happen than a move to the downside from here on. So definitely very exciting. So let me see then. Also getting another donation from Stan. Stan, you're saying, can you check Zilliqa? Can I check Zilliqa? Of course I can check Zilliqa for you. Let me get the Zilliqa chart in front of me. So Zilliqa is moving up pretty significantly as well here. Recently we were forming this this symmetrical triangle over here. You can see here price target already get reached in my opinion. Yes, we already reached the price target. Perfect hit, by the way. You can see perfect hit of the price target right away, creating a wick here. So that's the reason why you want to be getting out of your trades once reaching the price target usually. Really depends on the chart, of course. But yeah, what you can see, symmetrical triangle breaking out to the upside. First we had this fake out, re-entered the channel, broke out, and after that we were creating the volatility to the upside. So that's definitely very exciting. So that's definitely very exciting. But in general, if you set up some horizontal levels, you can see also finding horizontal support over there. And right now, you're of course create this previous all-time high. You're definitely, if you're going to see a reversal, because in my opinion, what we're probably going to do here for the price action of Zilliqa, and how I know the structure of Zilliqa always is moving, as you can see over here. Here, the price action of Zilliqa is a very nice structure because you can see it is forming an all-time high, forming a rejection, and once breaking above it, you're finding support on that level. So what we'll be probably doing here is right now is maybe we can be still seeing a move to the upside getting created, but I should not be entering over here. I should be waiting for the retest of this previous all-time high level. So entering around the 22.5 cents here is definitely your target, in my opinion. If you're entering over here, you're entering at a very nice price. And of course, you're buying at support. And in the end of the day, guys, you want to be buying the support, selling the resistance. And that is the strategy what I will be using here. So 22.5 cents is definitely your buying opportunity. After that, you can be creating some more volatility to the upside, already reaching the price target of the symmetrical triangle. Let's see where it is heading towards. But definitely you are in an uptrend. So in an uptrend, you want to be buying the dips. And in my opinion, the dip can be coming here, already reaching the price target, creating big wicks on the top side. Previous all-time high will be providing you the support. So that will be my long/entry target. So then also Noah donate to the channel. You're saying, can you look at literally if you can if it will be breaking out anytime soon here. So let me go and get the literary chart in front of me. And guys, I see so many questions that Citra coming in here, but I will be discussing it. Give me a moment. I always will be doing my best to discuss it. So what you can see, and this is very exciting for this price section of literary. Noah, you're saying basically, can literary break out anytime soon here? Yes, I do think so. And the reason why I'm saying this, of course, we are forming a symmetrical triangle. Very bullish bias pattern, of course, on the daily candles. And guys, like I told you before, the higher the time frame, the bigger the significance will be. And this is, of course, a very nice pattern that we can currently see. And this is also my reason why I like this chart so hard right now. I really like this chart, and I definitely think for everyone who is willing to get a good entry on literary, of course, it was already over here, but right now it looks absolutely already creating the volatility to the upside. So I do feel very excited about this chart, guys. I do feel very excited about the chart. I think we can be seeing a volatility to the upside getting created anytime soon here. So, yes, we are probably going to reach the price target from the point on where we are currently at. It's still another 55% move to the upside. So is it still worth it? Yes, I think so. Especially, you just have to spot trade this one. Buy this one right now. I mean, no financial advice. I always want you to do your own research. But it's definitely going to see the volatility to the upside getting created, in my opinion. So this chart is, in my opinion, looking absolutely exciting. So, Calivia, also donating to the channel, you're saying, thoughts on Ankr and SDMX, short-term futures, please. We'll be going into Ankr. We'll be discussing one of them because, guys, there are so many requests right now, and I want to be discussing everything. And I have also some things that I want to discuss myself as well. So that's the reason why we'll be doing just one of them. So just like other price actions, you can see here, descending bouldering wedge was getting formed here. Descending bouldering wedge breaking to the upside. Of course, reversal. And once seeing this reversal coming in here, you're retesting it, and after that you were creating the volatility. So a price target already was getting reached right now. So price target already reached. What are we going to do right now? It looks like that we're having a clear reversal. We're creating the all-time highs, of course, providing us a resistance. So it looks like that we're in an uptrend right now, forming a bearish divergence set here. I do want to be raising the awareness. There can be a high likelihood that we're going to see a correction because of this bearish divergence. I mean, we're already seeing it, to be honest. But yeah, what you can generally see here is the momentum is shifting to the upside. I definitely think the more times you're retesting a level of resistance, the more likely it will be that you're probably going to break through it. So, yeah, the more times we're going to retest it, if we're going to get this rejection and right now solidified once again, having another retest, maybe forming some kind of an ascending triangle here, will be exactly exciting. But in general, Ankr price action is looking good here. We're knocking at the previous all-time high once again, guys. We're not flipping bears on the chart yet here, so definitely buying into this coin. I don't have a clear setup right now because I do want to be seeing a breakthrough of the all-time high or maybe a correction coming in here and then see another retest, so we can be maybe forming some kind of an ascending triangle. But for the moment, I definitely think we can be seeing the breakthrough of the all-time high anytime soon here. And the market is looking good. Structure is looking good. It's not overextended. Especially on the daily, of course, on daily, you're probably going to create big bearish divergences. But the Bitcoin is doing the same. I don't think it will be holding the price back here. So feel very excited. Let's see where it is heading towards. So also, then Gaywen is donating to the chat here, and you are saying, oh, I see once again a spammer in the chat coming in here. So please spam in the chat. I see also already Crypto is picking it up here. Crypto big shout out to you, of course. But Gaywen is asking me, what do you think about SafeMoon? I mean, I'm staying away from SafeMoon. I don't like it, guys. Why should you be buying into these coins with no fundamental worth? It's getting pushed by some YouTubers, by some other things. I'm staying away from it. Of course, because Dogecoin is pumping, you can see SafeMoon is also pumping pretty significantly to the upside. But I'm staying away from it. Of course, I can be discussing it, but I mean, technicals don't work on this one. I mean, I don't like it. I don't like it right away. I mean, the tag, I can't even search it up on TradingView, so that's pretty unfortunate. But I mean, I'm staying away from it. Of course, you can be doing your own research. You can see it already dropped with another 10% in just a matter of a few minutes, guys. I don't like these kinds of projects with no fundamental worth. Like I told you before, there's only one coin that I buy in with no fundamental worth, and that is Dogecoin. So Alex also donating to the channel. You're saying could Bitcoin could Bitcoin broke above the current 1 hour falling channel level? So let me go into the Bitcoin price section. And you're asking me, of course, we were just discussing Bitcoin at the beginning of the stream here, of course. And we were discussing Bitcoin at the beginning of the stream. And we were saying here as well on the channel, I do feel very excited about Bitcoin. And the reason why here is, of course, we just saw it with the price section of Ankr. These descending broadening wedges, guys, these are very bullish bias patterns. And the reason why I'm saying this is because these are reversal patterns. So, yeah, what you currently can see here is as well that you're having right now this descending broadening wedge getting formed here, and you're having already 3 touch points on the lower sides, and usually 3 touch points is what you get on the lower side. So this will be also the third retest on the top side. So guys, right away we'll be saying, what do we expect what Bitcoin will be doing here? And do you want to be trading Bitcoin right now? Yes, I do think so that you want to be trading Bitcoin. And guys, like I told you before, I was accumulating big positions over here. And you can't say I was not saying this. And you can't say that I haven't told you enough times that you have to accumulate your position on Bitcoin right now. Because on the channel, you can go back on it. We were telling it every single day. If Bitcoin is going to go to the previous all-time high, like you can see over here, accumulate your positions, make your bigger position. And especially, guys, you can see over here the retest of the daily candles. I can't stress enough about it. This is absolutely bullish. Bitcoin is going towards new all-time highs anytime soon here. So, do you want to be getting exposed to Bitcoin? Yes, you definitely want to. And still, people are saying to me every single day, Rover, is it too late? Is it too late to buy Bitcoin? No, it is not too late. You are still early. You have to know, if you're walking outside, you think everyone knows what crypto is, but no. You think you're walking outside, your life is crypto. For me, my life is crypto. I'm walking outside. I'm always, in my head, I'm always thinking about the Bitcoin chart. I always think about the Bitcoin price. But you think once you're walking outside that everyone knows crypto, but no. Approximately 2% of the world knows what crypto is. It's still so small. So is it too late to buy crypto? No, it is not. Is it too late to buy Bitcoin right 62K? No, it is not. Are we heading towards 100K this cycle? Easily. So guys, I mean, I can't stress enough about it that people are still standing on the sidelines. Of course, no financial advice. Do your own research. But I can't stress enough about it, guys. I see everyone standing on the sidelines waiting for a correction before buying into it. But is the previous all-time high retest not already enough for you? Come on, guys. So, Alex, you're saying, could Bitcoin break above the 1 hour falling wedge? Falling wedge. Can Bitcoin break above this descending bouldering wedge resist line? Definitely. Definitely it will be breaking above it, in my opinion. We're going to see this breakout already today happening. So, very exciting day here. And, of course, you can be keeping your eyes out on the channel. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, it would be very amazing if you're doing so right now. And I see... thank bro. And you see also... Alex, you also became a member of the channel, so thank you so much for becoming a member of the channel. You're freaking amazing. Hopefully, you're going to enjoy your color in the chat here. And yeah, I see you're become a CR supporter, so thank you so much for supporting the channel once again here, Alex. Hopefully, you're going to enjoy the amazing emojis as well here. So, then Amir also donating to the channel. You're saying, hey, brother, thanks again for the stream. What do you think about KSM? I think it's a good moment to go live right now. So, let me see. KSM, let me check it. And Amir, thank you once again for tuning into the channel. Kamer, Sorry, Amir, thank you for supporting the channel once again here. Hopefully, we're going to crush this market once again all together. I mean, recently, Amir, you can say it already to me. We have been crushing the market. We have been crushing these trades. It's absolutely exciting. And you're asking me about the price section of KSM here, and I definitely feel excited, just like you told me before. Just like you told me in the super chat, that you feel very excited about it and that you think it's a good moment to get into this one. Yes, I definitely think so. I think it's definitely worth to get exposed to this one. KSM is right now looking extremely bullish in my opinion. Of course, forming this symmetrical triangle right now. Having already 4 touch points on the lower side, so that's definitely providing you the significance. And also this downward sloping resist line, very exciting to see here. It looks to be breaking out anytime soon here. So in my opinion, yes, it is right now a good moment to get exposed to this one. Are we going to see the volatility created to the upside? Yes, probably we will. So breaking to the upside, we'll be pushing it towards the $634 approximately. That can be a move of another 38%. So I feel very excited about it. Can't wait to see where we are heading towards. And yeah, in general, this chart is looking very cool. And I see also Demo, aka Austin, donating to the channel with an amazing emoji from me by Bitcoin right now. And that's definitely true. That's definitely true, guys. I can't stress enough about it. I can't stress enough about it. And I see CryptoArm also saying Crypto.com looks extremely bullish. And I will be going into Crypto.com in a second because first I want to be discussing all the super chats. Today it's absolutely going nuts with all the super chats. But thank you for all support on the channel, of course. Definitely lovely to see the support coming in here. But KSM, Amir, it is looking absolutely like it's going to blast off here. Also, we'll be identifying the trend real quickly on the daily. The daily trend is still to the downside here. That I mean, yes, you want to be buying into low. You want to be buying the lows. And this is, of course, a lacking indicator. So if we're having this bullish crossover over here, you can see we already probably see the volatility to the upside getting created in the chart. So yes, we can be reversing the chart anytime soon here, but if I identify the momentum, it's still to the downside. So that is, of course, a thing that is a little bit concerning, but do want to be seeing the bullish crossover as well playing out in the MACD. Probably if I look to the EMA ribbon, yeah, it's still providing us the support on daily candles, and you know you want to be trading with the trend, and the daily is right now finding support on the EMA ribbon. I think we can definitely be moving higher once again. I don't think I have to be bearish on this chart, so it's absolutely exciting what we currently can see. So also getting a donation from Kyle, and you were saying, can you check DGBuy please? So if I go to the price section of DGBuy, are we having something very exciting? Yes, I do think so. We can see a rising wedge getting formed, of course, on the price section of DGBuy. And DGBuy is absolutely sky high right now. It is blasting to the upside, guys. It's not looking to stop anytime soon here, but you know, you can see here, rising wedge getting formed here. Of course, rising wedges are usually very bearish bias patterns because you can see you're losing the buying strength. You are creating higher lows, but it is usually bearish bias pattern. But still, it broke to the upside. Very nice to see. Once breaking this resistance line on the top side, finding support on the lower side, and of course, looking at the daily candles right now. But it's absolutely exciting what you can see over here. So yeah, creating the volatility as well here, absolutely blasting off to the upside, not creating a bearish divergence at the moment. So this is looking absolutely beautiful. So let me set up a Fibonacci real quickly because I want to be spotting the levels of possible resistance and support. So hopefully we can be spotting it over here. Let me set it up real quickly. Let me identify the swing low real quickly here. So you can see here, the first extension level here, the 1.618 here, as you can see here, providing the resistance, once breaking above it, providing resistance, but really, once seeing the volatility getting created, once we are really breaking above it, you can see we are right now absolutely blasting off to the upside for the price section of DGBuy. So this is absolutely exciting to see. Do think that we are probably heading towards the 2.618. We're not done with this pump to the upside. So 15 cents, 15.8 cents here is the target for me. I do think we can be reaching it anytime soon here. Very exciting days here. So is it still worth to buy into DGBuy? I mean, yeah, you're buying into overextended territorium, so it would be not really the smartest decision that you can be making, to be honest. But yes, I definitely think we're going to reach the 2.618 here. We're going to reach it rather sooner than later, so I do feel very excited about it. And if we can smash through that level, and after that even find support on it, it will be not holding me back, because then it will be definitely moving up even further to the upside. So guys, definitely feel very excited about it, and the 2.618 is the level that you do want to be breaking right now today. So TS also donating to the channel. TS, you're saying, Rainy, new NFT, rain.io, staking tomorrow. Can you have a look? So let me right away flip it on here. Unfortunately, it is not on training view. Unfortunately, it's not on training view, so I can't really do my technicals on it. But let me flip it on to here on CoinMarketCap. So maybe CMC is saying something interesting, like you already know here on the channel. I'm not really doing fundamental research live in the stream. I always do this behind the screens and I always talk about it in the streams because we are doing technicals. But yeah, this one recently got launched on the market. Not a lot of information about it. You do want to be doing your own research. It's very, very hard for me to get my opinion about it because I mean, it's very hard to give my opinion about this one because I don't see, can't read the charts. It's probably, yeah, it's pretty relatively new here on the market. It all comes down to the white paper. So you want to be looking at the white paper, what it is currently doing. Want to be careful, of course, with all new projects. But yeah, hopefully you can be making some good gains, my friend. So, also, Diamond Lila also donating to the channel. You're saying, thoughts on Utrust, Rover, please, and targets. So let me flip it on to the price chart of Utrust. And Utrust is, of course, a very exciting chart here, in my opinion. So what are we currently having? Let me remove all the drawings real quickly. Let me look at the chart in a pure way and in a clear way. You can see right away, you're farming. The top side is... Oh, I want to be using the rectangle over here. You can see here, the top side is forming us resistance. And we are setting higher lows each and every time. We're setting higher lows each and every time, and you can even, yeah, it really depends on how you draw it, of course. But I mean, I should be drawing it like here, this. You can see here, you're forming a, not a very stealth, but you're forming an uptrend. You're setting higher lows. So this can be, you can be calling this one an ascending triangle, but I would rather look at it on the daily candles, because on the daily candles, it's more of a stealth ascending triangle. So it can be taking quite a while before reaching the breakup, but you can see here, top side getting reached there, ascending triangle, higher lows getting created, horizontal resistance, ascending triangles, very bullish bias patterns to the upside. Are we going to see a breakup to the upside getting created? Yes, I do think so. When are we going to see it? Probably, it can be taking quite a while here. Maybe it's in the end of May. Maybe it can be taking even longer. So I feel definitely very excited about it. But the $1 is definitely the price target if you're going to see a breakout. So is it worth to buy already into Utrust? Because it looks to be maybe heading towards the $1. Yes, I do think so. I think you can be right now buying relatively cheap into this coin. So, yeah, it looks very good. Looks very good, and definitely think we can be seeing this breakout to the upside getting created anytime soon here. Alex, you're saying Dent is 5% up since you checked it from my request 55 minutes ago. Great, because I got it. Alex, that's absolutely cool. That's absolutely cool and lovely to hear. But yeah, it looks like, let me see, Diamond, yeah, Lila, it looks like that Utrust is, of course, heading towards the $1 is after this breakout of this price target. So that's definitely very exciting, and definitely think that it can be heading pretty fast to the upside. So maybe it will be taking quite a while before reaching this breakout significant, but definitely feel very excited about it. So Thomas then is asking me, Polkadot, you're talking about Polkadot and FX, but I will be only discussing one, unless you already did it. Keep up the fun time. So Thomas, let me discuss the price section of Polkadot, because I've been discussing Polkadot on the channel for quite a long time right now. I've been discussing Polkadot for quite a long time on the channel, and I'm already hugely exposed to Polkadot. You have to know it. I bought Polkadot around the 40 cents on the channel. I mean, by then I was not even doing this channel, because you have to know this channel is just looking around the corner, guys. We're just starting up here, and we're already going to new optimize. But I was buying into Polkadot very cheap, and after that, once sitting around the $1, I started the channel off, because, I mean, I was seeing so many things in the chart. I was seeing so many very interesting things, and I want to be sharing it with more people. So yeah, I was also seeing Polkadot, and that's probably going to give me very good returns. So once sitting around $1, I was telling everyone in the streams that I previously did. I was telling everyone, I'm buying huge amounts of Polkadot. You have to look at it. Please buy it. Please buy it. Please buy it. No financial advice, but please look into it. Maybe do your own research. Just go to the white paper. Just read what the project is doing, and it's very promising. So I was buying into it, and of course, for everyone who was an early adopter of the channels, but for everyone who was early on the channel, because we're pretty small here, but we were buying into Polkadot all over here, and of course, it went up very quickly towards $7. It entered the top 10, top 100 for a moment, and after that, right now, it's sitting outside of the top 100, but it will be re-entering anytime soon here. Consolidation after a huge run up here, guys. It's absolutely imminent to see an insane breakout anytime soon here. So what you first of all can see here for the price section of Polkadot, downward sloping resistance line getting formed here. You're finally breaking through this level. You can see you're finally breaking through this level. And let me take a quick sip of my coffee once again. You can see over here, we're finally breaking through this level. And since breaking through this level, you can see here we're right now finding support on it. So is this very exciting? Yes, it is definitely very exciting, because you're right now seeing finally a breakout of this level. Also, you're forming a new upper sloping supportive line here. You're right now starting a new uptrend, because you can see previously we were forming only lower highs. So we're only lower highs. So forming lower lows, and finally what you can see right now for the price section of Polkadot, forming higher lows. So it's absolutely exciting what you can see over here. Absolutely exciting what you can see over here. Higher lows getting created here, and finally we can see that we are having some kind of a reversal pattern. So what can we currently see over here? is that we definitely looks to be reversing the trend, and you want to be trading with the trend. And in my opinion, you want to be buying into consolidation, like I told you before. Consolidation is very important to buy into, in my opinion. So very excited what we currently can see here, and looking forward to see where it's heading towards. But definitely, it's for me absolutely exciting chart to see, and I mean, I can't really set up a Fibonacci that this will be probably showing the significance. But I mean, yeah, I can be setting up an extension level because probably we already saw the bottom, and we have to be breaking through a lot of levels before going higher once again. But in general, this is the most important resist line that we're currently are breaking right now. And I mean, yeah, the 1 hourly candles are not the most beautiful ones. But yeah, you're generally in an uptrend. You're starting a new uptrend. It is looking good. We're definitely going to see some new all-time highs, especially because I really like the project, and it's probably going to see more momentum created to the upside. So Lionel E also donated to the channel. You're saying new subscriber. Can you check new? So let me check it. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, first of all. Very exciting that all these new guys are coming in here as well. And for everyone who's new to the channel, and for everyone who is not subscribed yet here, guys, I'm seeing this. I have this live subscriber count right now in front of the screen. I can see that we're currently only 6 subscribers away. We're currently only 6 subscribers away. Guys, that's absolutely very close. 33.2k is almost getting reached, guys. Can we be smashing up the subscriber button right now? Would be, of course, absolutely insane. Would be also very motivating. So I see only 5 subscribers right now. So it is becoming very close. For everyone who is not subscribed to the channel yet here, make sure to smash it up here. It will be amazing because, yeah, I mean, getting that subscription on the channel is completely free, guys, and you will be supporting the channel. And it's, of course, I mean, it's very motivating for me to see the channel growing so quickly, guys. Of course, doing this for you every single day here will be not stopping anytime soon here. So yeah, look, I'm saying anytime soon here, but I will be never stopping here on the channel. Guys, it's absolutely very exciting. So if you want to be smashing up that subscribe button, will be, of course, very amazing. It's completely free, and let's see if we can be reaching it today in the stream. So what are we having for this price section? And just like we were looking for Polkadot starter, you are looking for a reversal. So you're setting right now in higher low over here. You were forming lower lows each and every time over here. So you're forming lower lows, and the trend was basically trending to the downside. And right now you can see the reversal coming in here. So higher lows getting formed once again. Definitely very exciting what you can see. Down sloping resistance line getting formed over here. Let's see where this is heading towards. And guys, yeah, we just reached the 33.2k here. Thank you so much for hitting up the subscriber button. You guys are always so insane, always so supportive. Yeah, definitely lovely to see. So yeah, maybe you're forming some kind of a symmetrical triangle here. It's not the most beautiful one, like I told you before. Not to be seeing more touch points, but you can see on the lower side, 1, 2, 3 touch points. Top side, 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points. So yeah, this one is really showing the significance in my opinion. So let's see where it is heading towards. I think yeah, we can be seeing a breakout anytime soon here. Hopefully we can be seeing it to the upside getting created, and definitely I do think it's more likely to create to the upside because yeah, we are going into this one. We're going into the symmetrical triangle from a downtrend. But yeah, guys, we can't ignore it. We're still in the bull market. We really can't say that we're going to break to the downside, in my opinion. So definitely look forward to see where it is heading towards. But I think we will be moving up quite significantly if we're going to see a breakout. Of course, breakout will be imminent here. We are coming closer to the apex, and the apex is approximately around the 24th of April. So in the coming 7 days, we can be seeing a breakout for this one. And if we're really going to see a breakout from the point on where we are right now, it will be a move of approximately 32% to the upside. So it's definitely worth to check out, and hopefully, Lionel, you're going to make good gains on this one. So Peter, also donating to the channel, you're saying, Crypto Rover, hope you're doing well so far, and yes, I'm doing absolutely well. Thank you for asking, of course, Peter Nom. I'm doing absolutely well today. You're saying, what about Ella? Could you please have a look at it and at which levels I can buy? All-time high is quite far away. So, I mean, yeah, let's look. You're saying all-time high is quite far away. It's approximately 23%. So, yeah, it is still far away. I will be removing all the drawings to just get a clear view on the chart, of course. I like to get a clear view on certain charts. Let me flip it on the daily candles. Daily was not forming a bearish divergence. It's still an uptrend. You're setting higher lows, higher highs. So yes, you want to be buying the lows. First of all, we'll be identifying this right way here for you. So also what you can see over here, uptrend getting started here. Let me also flip onto Fibonacci real quickly and to look at some extension levels. And you can see here we're right now trading at support, so that's pretty exciting. But yeah, in general, you're starting a new uptrend over here, setting higher lows. But you're also, what you can see over here, because you're not only setting higher lows, you're also setting lower highs. So this is, of course, the signal that we're forming some kind of a symmetrical triangle. The symmetrical triangles, guys, like you know it already on this channel, because here on the channel, I'm trying to educate you guys. I'm trying to educate you guys to become better traders. And what I'm saying here, once again here, we're starting a symmetrical triangle from a move to the upside, continuation pattern, probably going to break up to the upside. So What do I expect for the price section of Ella? I definitely expect that Ella is heading towards new all-time high anytime soon here. And the reason why here is because, yes, you're forming a symmetrical triangle, and the symmetrical triangles are just continuation patterns, and they are just tend to break to the upside because you are starting this one from a move to the upside. So I should be expecting a move to the upside anytime soon here. This can be, of course, if you're breaking this resistance line, this will be approximately a move of 35%. And Peter, that is absolutely a sick move because that can give you, of course, very quick gains here. And you're saying the ultimate is still quite far away, and of course, then you will be crushing for the ultimate high. But in general, you're saying which levels should I be buying? So I mean, the real buying levels, in my opinion, are still at the support line because you want to be buying support, selling resistance, and I don't really see this one breaking to the downside. And there can be two strategies that you can be doing over here, especially if you're spot trading. I should just buy into it over here. I should be just not waiting. I should be already buying. So if you're spot trading, definitely buy it right now. If you're here to leverage trade, please wait for confirmation to either direction because yes, it can be still breaking to the downside, even though it's not likely. But yeah, if you're really leverage trading, should wait for a breakout. Confirmation is your entry target. So let's see what it's heading towards. So entry target for, of course, really depends on where you are going to break out because I can't really provide you an entry target before seeing a breakout or a breakdown. So yeah, make sure to keep an eye on the chart, but it's definitely going to see imminent big move getting created anytime soon here. So that's very exciting. So also, Dusty donate to the channel. You're saying, should we take profits out of Dogecoin or hold? I mean, a lot of friends of mine, they were asking, they were saying the same, and everyone was taking some profits. And I mean, taking profits on Dogecoin is definitely a good job. If you're taking profits right now on Dogecoin, you're absolutely crushing it. You're doing a good job. I think yes, you can be doing it. But I mean, I bought my Dogecoin. I set it on my ledger, etc. I set it away, and I'm not going to touch it anytime soon here. I'm not going to touch my Dogecoin. I'm just going to stay away from it because, I mean, I bought my Dogecoin for purposes of 10 years. I mean, I bought it and I already thought my money was away, right? Because you're buying Dogecoin and you have to see it like you already burned your money. So, I mean, I'm just going to sit on it for 10 years. I don't need the money right now. I'm making money more from leverage trading. I think that's a better strategy for me. Of course, really depends on how you're approaching it and how you are approaching your positions. But almost all my crypto, I'm just going to sit on. Maybe it's good to go out of Dogecoin. It really depends on your financial situation, of course. But maybe it's a good job to go out of Dogecoin and go a little bit into different coins, a little bit diversify your portfolio. But I don't know how your portfolio looks. So, I mean, I'm just sitting on my Dogecoin. I'm just sitting on it. I think we're definitely going to reach $1. I'm not saying that we're going to do this cycle or that we're going to do it in the coming 3 months here. But in the coming 5 years, we're absolutely going to do it. So, I mean, my investments are all long-term. So, that's the reason why I'm just going to sit on it. So, Nehem, you're saying, is the 5 to 100k challenge fail? Discord is empty. First of all, I've been saying this already for quite a long time on the channel here. I've had a lot of requests about this, and we've been talking about this for quite a long time. And maybe I have to make a Discord announcement about this as well because, guys, like I told you before, I am only doing the challenge live in the streams. So I'm only giving trade setups from now on live in the streams. And the reason why I'm doing this, the reason why I'm not going to give signals in the Discord server anymore is because I want to be educating you guys, and I don't want to be counter-speaking myself. Because I've been talking on the channel a lot about I will be not giving signals because I want to be educating you guys, and if I just purely going to give you signals to enter and exit and take profit on trades, you're not going to learn anything. You're only going to wreck yourself. So that is not a thing that we'll be doing. So that's the reason why once opening trades on the training challenge accounts, because I'm still doing it, and the account is of course doing pretty good here. I will be only doing it live in the stream. I will be only doing it live in the stream because then I can be also building up my argument, and it will be not only posting setups in Discord server because I don't think it's a very good thing to do. So, Jonathan also donating to the channel. You're saying Crypto.com breaking out. So let me go to the price section of Crypto.com. Crypto.com is absolutely crushing it, guys. And we've been talking about Crypto.com for quite a while right now. Guys, for who doesn't remember it, I think we're absolutely going to crush through. But guys, for the guys that don't remember what I was saying about Crypto.com, of course, we had this previous highest daily candle close around the 22nd of February. And what I was saying about Crypto.com is basically, if we are going to close a higher daily candle close than the previous highest daily candle close ever in the history of Crypto.com, we're absolutely going to shoot to new all-time highs. We're absolutely going to shoot towards 40 cents, etc. So what I can see right now is, of course, yesterday and the day before, we were closing this daily candle above this line. And yesterday, this is absolutely insane. So 2 days ago, we closed above it. Yesterday, we found support on it. Of course, you don't necessarily have to find exactly support on this level. But yes, we found support on this level. And right now, today, we're seeing the volume getting traded. So what do I expect for the price action of Crypto.com? First, I will be going into lower time frames in a second. But what do I expect about it? I think we're absolutely going to see a momentum shift to the upside getting started right now. And we're absolutely going to blast off to the upside. Yeah, creating new all-time highs in daily candle closes. So very exciting to see. Let me flip it as well to the 4-hourly candles, guys. Let me remove this drawing real quickly. You can see here also taking out the highest previous 4-hourly candle close, the previous highest low close, of course. But yeah, you're creating right now lower highs in the RSI, higher highs in the price chart. So yeah, you're creating a bearish divergence. That's the thing that I want to be saying here. I want to be raising awareness. But in general, trend is basically the upside. More buying strength is, more buyers are coming into the price section of Crypto.com, so this is very exciting to see. So yeah, let's see where it's heading towards. But in general, it is looking particularly good here. Also breaking through this horizontal resistance target, and right now also previously just a few hours ago you were finding support on it. So that is very exciting. I definitely think that we're going to go way higher. We are still having an upward sloping resistance line, to be honest. So this is a line that we do want to be looking at. Of course, we're finding resistance each and every time once touching this level. So are we going to find some resistance on this level? I do think it's very likely to get it. So you can see here already 3 touch points, 4 touch points right now. So yeah, the more times you're testing a certain level of resistance, the more likely it will be that you're going to break through this level as well. So is it worth to get exposed to Crypto.com, guys? I've been talking about Crypto.com for such a long period on the channel already. I mean, everyone wants to be buying. Everyone wants to be buying BNB. But I always say to my viewers, because I want to be making the most amount of gains, guys, and that's the lovely part about crypto. We can be gaining all together. I am usually exposed to Crypto.com. Crypto.com is way lower in market valuation, market cap than BNB, but it is sitting only around 6 billion in market cap, where BNB is sitting around 83 billion. And this, the projects are very similar. But Crypto.com also have an own mainnet. They're going to launch a lot of NFT projects on their blockchain, and I think the NFT hype is just getting started. Very exciting. Also, a lot of DeFi projects are getting launched over there, and their marketing team insane, guys. They're burning tokens. They're getting more scarce, more institutional interest, etc. in Crypto.com as well. The fastest growing exchange in percentages in the cryptocurrency space. So, is it worth to get exposed to Crypto.com? Definitely. It's the new BNB. It's definitely going towards the top 10. I mean, I know for sure Crypto.com will be standing in the top 10. And maybe not right now. Maybe not in the cycle. I do expect it will be in this cycle in the top 10, but maybe not this cycle, but if it will be not this cycle, it will be the next one. And my reason why I bought Crypto.com is because in the bear market, it seems to not be really falling off that significantly. And besides that, you can't be leverage trading. You can't be leverage trading Crypto.com on Binance or on other exchanges, and that's the reason why you don't see these short squeezes, or I mean, that's the reason why you don't see these long squeezes playing out. No money is getting away from Crypto.com, so it's definitely worth to check out here. Definitely a coin that I'm sitting on for the long run. I'm staking my Crypto.com, gaining interest on my portfolio, building a bigger portfolio, and it's definitely worth to get exposed to, in my opinion. Definitely an asset. If you don't have it, you're a major risk at not making the biggest profit in the coming bull cycle. So make sure to keep your eyes set on Crypto.com. It's definitely going towards the $1.50. My prediction is still standing. $1.50 is my prediction for this cycle. Guys, we will be riding this one all together, because we on the channel, we were already buying. It was, of course, we were already way back ago talking about Crypto.com, sitting around 6 cents. We were buying into it. This is absolutely insane. Of course, right now sitting around 25 cents, already making very good gains. That is definitely one to check out here. So, Bittorrent, also donating to the channel. Rainy is releasing staking in 24 hours. Can you do analysis on the chart? I am in for long term. I mean, you also just donate to the channel. You were asking me, but I can't really do. I can't do my analysis on the chart because let me get it in front of me, because it is not on trading view. It's not on trading view, so I can't really give my analysis on the chart, unfortunately, my friend. So hopefully you're going to make good profits. And of course, staking is getting released in 24 hours, so that's always very exciting. What is coming out, very good news. You're saying I'm in for the long term. If you believe in the project, it's definitely worth to check it out here. But I mean, I can't do my technical analysis on it, because it's not giving me the opportunity to look at it on TradingView. So that's the thing that I can't unfortunately do here. So yeah, let's see what it is going to do, but it's definitely very exciting. Only the volume is pretty low, so that's of course a thing that you want to keep your eyes out on. It's still a pretty new project, volume low. It can be shifting either direction very quickly. So yeah, it can also give you very good returns. So basically, the risk is very high, but the return can also be very high. So Nehem, also donating to the channel. You're saying DOT is breaking out. So let me go into the price section of DOT. Guys, are we going to see a breakout for DOT here? Because yes, we were looking at the price section of DOT. We were looking at the symmetrical triangle getting played out here. And guys, this is maybe a possibility that we have to be taking right now live in the stream, guys. This is a possibility that we have to be taking right now, maybe live in the stream. That would be very exciting if we can do so. Let me look at it real quickly. Let me look at it real quickly because I think we are right now getting a very good opportunity. And by the way, for everyone, I mean, I think I will be closing my. For everyone, I will be doing it live in stream. I will be closing my my Litecoin trade probably because yeah, I mean, I'm in 2,000% profit. Is it bad to take some profits at all-time highs? I mean, we're very close to all-time highs. Is it bad to take profits? No, I don't think so. So. Let me set a limit order. I will be going out of my Litecoin trade right now. I mean, guys, probably it will be going way higher. So, I mean, if you still want to ride this trade, definitely worth so. But I want to get this capital to invest in a different project. So I will be going out of my Litecoin trade once reaching this target over here. So hopefully we can be securing in this this 2,000% profit, guys. 2,000% profit, definitely worth so. So right now we'll be looking at the Polkadot trade. So if you want to be joining me with this next trade here, make sure to already sign up with the Femex link in the description. Will be amazing because we will be taking this trade on Femex. The digits that we will be giving you will be also the digits that we will be trading on Femex. So it's definitely worth to check out here. Will be amazing if you're joining the channel as well here. But going to take some profits on this one. We'll be also looking at an entry target for the price action of Polkadot. But guys, I mean, securing in 2,000% profit is never bad here. Sometimes you just have to take some profits. Just be happy with your profits and move on to the next next trade. So that is also the thing that I will be doing right now. So that's, of course, very exciting. Would love to open a live trade here in the stream. So if you want to be joining me, make sure to already get your account set up here because we will be probably doing it anytime soon here. I mean, I really want to be taking it already, Nahem, but probably I can't open this live in the stream. I can't open this trade live in the stream because the reason why I'm saying this is because I want to be seeing the 4-hourly candle close first happening, and after that I can be opening the trade, of course. I can after this 4-hourly candle close is here, I will be opening a trade on the retest. So what will I be doing? That's the question. What will I be doing? I will probably, if this is really going to see the breakout, of course, solidifying, I will be opening this trade on the retest. And if I am not live here, coming in 3 hours, I don't know for sure. Probably I'm not live then. But if I'm not live over there, I will be opening the trade still. But I will keep you guys up to date on my Twitter page. So if you are going to my Twitter right now and follow me over here, it's @RoverCrypto. It will be amazing if you're following me over here. And then I will be just giving you a setup over here. Also, probably in the Discord server. So if you haven't already followed me in Discord, if you are not a member of the Discord server yet here, we are having the biggest Discord server in the cryptocurrency space. If you want to be learning anything here, go to the pinned comment in the description. Go in, go to the pinned comment in the live chat. Go to the highest link in the description. If you want to be joining the Discord server, it's definitely worth to do so. But also, yeah, of course, make sure to follow us on Twitter because on Twitter we're also giving these notifications. And big shout out to all these guys over here. Big shout out to OT, and I can't pronounce your name. Big shout out to Will. Big shout out to Cheyenne. So guys, make sure to follow me over here, because I will be giving these updates as well over here. So make sure to already set up your account, because once I'm sharing the digits, I will be sharing the digits of Femex, because I will be probably taking this one on Femex, maybe on Bybit. We'll be letting you know where I will be taking it, but definitely very exciting. And especially also, like I told you before, on the daily candles, we can see Polkadot is right now bouncing off this level, and we're heading probably towards the high here once again in the Polkadot compared to Bitcoin chart. So it's definitely looking very exciting. I think Polkadot is ready here to have an insane breakout anytime soon here. So of course, want to be trading this one as well. Because if we're opening a trade, of course, we can be seeing the breakout very significantly. This can be a push towards the $52. It can be approximately a move of another 25%, approximately, yeah, 22%. So absolutely bullish to see, absolutely lovely to see. So it's for me a trade that I do want to be taking here. So of course, once seeing this round candle close solidifying above this resistance line, we'll be opening it on the retest. So, Peter Fort is also donating to the channel. You're saying, Rainy, you can also do technical analysis on DEX with TradingView. Please do some research of the stream. So I'm Peter Fost. I just made a screenshot. I already made a screenshot of Rainy. I will be doing some research after the stream, Peter, because yeah, you seem to be very convinced of the project. And once you guys are asking me some projects, a lot of times I'm looking into these projects because I want to be getting exposed to the projects that you are, of course, telling me. And of course, I'm doing my own research and I make my own opinion about it to think, okay, this is a good coin, I will be buying it or so. But yeah, definitely you sound very convinced. So I will be doing my research after the stream here to look at it and of course give you my real opinion about it. And guys, in the meantime, I see we're currently only 12 likes away. We are only 12 likes away before reaching the 500 likes. Guys, can we be smashing it up to 500 likes? That will be absolutely insane, because if we're reaching the 500 likes, that will be just a very cool target for me. And maybe if we're reaching the 1,000 likes, guys, I'm almost out of stock of these mugs, of course, but I want to be giving away some more of these mugs. But guys, once reaching the 1,000 likes here, I will be just giving away my last mugs here. So of course, I ordered already some new mugs here, so there will be more mug giveaways anytime soon here. But make sure to smash up the likes right now. It will be amazing. I see only 8 likes right now, so Can we smash it up to 500 likes? That would be absolutely insane, because then we're wrecking the algorithm of YouTube, right? Thank you so much. So I've not got filled yet here. I've not got took the profits yet on Litecoin. Still yet to reach the target. So very exciting day. I need a mug. I know, Crypto Aaron. I know you need one. So sorry for my throat is hurting a little bit. So Remo is saying it's a good time to invest in Coddy. So let me get the Coddy chart in front of me, guys. Sorry for my throat. I mean I've got some issues. I've been streaming way too much recently. I mean yesterday I couldn't do a stream, unfortunately. But guys, of course, doing this stream for way longer, just starting to stream off. But you can see over here, yesterday I made also some videos about Cardano, because I think Cardano is absolutely going to blast to the upside. So later today, I will be probably also making an extra video, and I think it will be doing it about Polkadot. I will be making this extra video because I will be looking to take the trade, of course, and I want to be discussing this all together. So later today, you can be maybe also expecting a special video about Polkadot, so that is definitely exciting. So let's see what we're going to do. But Coddy, is it a good time to invest right now? Let's see. You're buying at support, so that's already a very good thing to see here. You're buying at support. Previously, symmetrical triangle breaking to the downside, already reaching the price target to the downside. So this previous support line will be probably acting as very strong resistance. So I will be extending this one. Always this resistance line over here as well. This will be providing you resistance in the future, so let's see what it will be doing. But it's not a level that we just can be ignoring. Already breaking through this downward sloping resistance line over here, so that's very exciting. But yeah, we're finding support finally at these lower levels. We're still in a downtrend. Can't ignore it. It looks to be that we're creating a higher low right now on the 4-hourly time frame. So can we be finally reversing this chart? Would be very important for me. I do think that we're probably going to see this reversal coming in here, so I do feel very excited about it. So let's see what we're going to do. But in general, I feel very excited about the price action of Coddy. I think we can be moving up quite significantly. So yeah, looking forward to it. Looking forward to it already, and I think yeah, it's a good time to buy right now. I mean, I should be not buying it, and the reason I think there are better projects right now that you can be buying into. As you can see, stealth run up to the upside getting created, parabolic run up to the upside getting created. After that, you're seeing consolidation. And I don't think that we're just going to ignore this consolidation. I think this consolidation period will be here for quite a long time. I think we will be seeing a lot of sideways action before really seeing a new all-time high getting created. So I'm staying away from that. So I don't think it will be giving me the best returns. And of course, I want to be buying projects that will be probably giving me the best return. So, also, Abdullah donating to the channel. You're saying Band and Ventum, please, Dan. So, Abdullah, I will be going into Band because I have so many things to discuss still. We're discussing one of them. So let me go to Band Protocol, what you're thinking about it. So Band Protocol, of course, very exciting. It looks to be Chainlink is pumping, Band Protocol is as well pumping. So this, of course, maybe a coincidence. I don't think it's a coincidence. Of course, maybe it's Oracle season, guys. Maybe we're going to see Oracle season playing out. It would be, of course, very exciting. But you can see here upward sloping support line getting formed as well here. In general, we are breaking through the previous all-time high. Previous all-time high is finally getting rejected. We were getting rejected over here, finally breaking above it, finding support on it over here. So I definitely think, yes, we're going to see stick follow through to the upside getting created, guys. I don't think that we're going to. I don't think that we're just going to ignore this retest. I definitely think we're absolutely going to shoot to new optimize anytime soon here. So is it still worth to get exposed to Band Protocol? Yes, I definitely think so. It's a good asset right now. Yes, it will be probably going towards new optimize. I don't have a specific price target for Band Protocol, but yeah, you're crashing through the previous all-time high, successfully retesting it. Not a clear pattern was unfolding over here, to be honest. Maybe it's some kind of a descending triangle here, but I don't really like it. Maybe yeah, descending triangle over here, but I don't really like this pattern to be honest. But yeah, you're in general just retesting the previous all-time high, looking particularly good here. Probably going to see more volts through to the upside getting created, but I feel very, very, very excited about it. So. Also, Nahem is saying, after the 4-hourly retest, what is your entry price on the price section of DOT? So let me go into the price section of DOT once again here, because yes, do want to be seeing this 4-hourly retest coming in here. And my retest here on the 4-hourly, and I will be going to the Polkadot compared to USD on, Polkadot compared to USD on the Femmings chart here real quickly. What will be my entry price? What will be my entry price? Because that will be, of course, very exciting to talk about. What my entry price will be here, of course. So yeah, what I will be looking for is of course a very nice retest, and the reason I want to only enter trades with the least amount of risk here, and if I want to be attaching the least amount of risk here, I definitely think the retest has to be somewhere around the 43.4 cents. So 43.40 cents. So 43.3 cents. Oh damn it, 43.3 cents here will be my entry target over here, and that will be, of course, I will be entering this. Once entering this one, I will be definitely keeping you guys up to date. Just like I told you before, I will be keeping you guys up to date once opening this trade here, because I just want to be very transparent. And I see a lot of people are right now following me on Twitter as well here. 50 new followers. Thank you so much for following me over here. I mean, yeah, guys, we're also heading towards 5,000 followers. But once opening this trade, guys, I will be definitely keeping you guys up to date on Twitter, on Discord. So definitely worth joining all of them. I also make a lot of posts here on Instagram, so if you haven't followed me as well on Instagram, it would be amazing, because, guys, you can see, I mean, this was... wait. That's Dogecoin. Sorry. Sometimes I post some weird stuff over here. But if you want to be following me as well here on Instagram, it would be very amazing. On the 3rd of May, I'm going to Dubai for a month over there. So I'm going to meet with other YouTubers. I'm going to do a lot of work over there. I'm going to make a lot of good content for you guys. So if you're interested as well in my private life, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I mean, I definitely want to reach that 3K followers over there, guys. It says 32K. Subs, but it's not true. That's not true, guys. It's definitely already 33. And if I look at the subscriber count, it's almost 33.3K. That's absolutely a sick target, to be honest. But it's absolutely exciting what we can currently see here. Guys, can't believe what I'm currently seeing, but yeah, we are all crushing it all together. And I mean, yeah, with the Twitter page as well, we are just becoming a legendary channel. Legendary channel. And guys, quickly want to know it. Who wants to wait, I don't know. I want to be tweeting something with you guys. I want to be tweeting something. Maybe, guys, maybe you know a celebrity or so, and we can be pushing this a tweet to a celebrity that he is going to be buying Bitcoin. So let me know in the chat, right, guys. Say in the chat right now, which celebrity do we have to be pushing to buy Bitcoin? So then we are going to push a tweet to that celebrity that he's going to buy Bitcoin. So let me know, who do you want me to push? Then we can work together, push it to the celebrity, because if we're all liking the tweet and if we're all pushing the tweet, he is seeing it, he is getting notifications that he's getting the message buy Bitcoin or so. So let's see, do you have some people that you want me to convince buying Bitcoin, and then we can be working all together on the channel and we can be pushing it to them. So Polkadot, of course, showing a nice volatility to the upside, definitely very exciting what you can see here. And Bitcoin today, of course, it's not doing anything. This last few hours is just going pretty boring to the upside. I mean, these are only $200 moves. Someone is saying messy, and that's absolutely insane. Hello from Malta, that's absolutely cool. Morris also donating to the channel. You're saying XRP I bought XRP at 80 euros, sorry, 80 cents in euros. I mean, I don't look at the euros. And you're saying, do I sell it for 80? I mean, buying 80 is definitely not a bad decision. So I see Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen. That's cool. But guys, I want to be doing something. This, of course, I live in the Netherlands. I live in the Netherlands. Let me. This is the leader of the Netherlands. Did you already bought Bitcoin? So guys, help me. This is, of course, this is the president of the Netherlands here. So if you want to be helping me to push it to this guy, that will be absolutely insane. So. This will be very cool if you're right now liking this Twitter, this tweet, because then he can see it. Let's push it to more celebrities, guys. That would be, of course, absolutely insane. That would be absolutely insane. And why this over here? Wait, I will be doing it over again, guys. I will be doing it right here. So at Mark Rutten. So let me. If you want to be helping the channel right here, make sure to like this tweet. Only like the tweet. It will be already enough. Did you already bought Bitcoin? Guys, it will be very cool. If you want to be supporting each other, if you want to be helping me to push this guy to buy crypto, guys, that will be absolutely cool. You can see it also over here. So if you want to be helping the channel out here, I don't know why it's over here, not over here. Let me see, it's on tweets and replies. So I will be retweeting this one real quickly as well in the channel, so you guys can all see it. But it will be amazing if you want to be helping the channel out here. I will be pinning this one as well. So if you want to be supporting the channel, go to the Twitter page at Rover Crypto, and go to and like and retweet this tweet right here. Go please and like and retweet this tweet, because we can then push this tweet to him, and he can be maybe buying Bitcoin, and he can be maybe helping us out here. So guys, Smash up the likes over here. Smash up the likes on this tweet if you want to be pushing Bitcoin to these big people that have a lot of influence. Help the channel out here. Help the cryptocurrency space out here. Go to the Twitter page @RoverCrypto. Like this tweet. Currently already 16 likes. Guys, we're absolutely crushing it. Let's see how much likes we can get. I think we can get 100 likes on this tweet, and we can be definitely pushing this one to new all-time highs. So it would be very amazing. I see all guys, and some people are saying some other guys, but this will be very exciting. This will be very exciting. Oh, you're saying have you bought or did you already bought? So that would be amazing. Already 27 likes, guys. That's absolutely insane. In 1 minute we just posted it. So are you a Doge follower? I mean, I love Doge. I love Doge for the meme. But guys, it will be amazing if you're right now liking this tweet. Will be amazing. Will be amazing for all the Dutch watchers. This kind of funny, right? Hug Jackman from Wolverine. That would be amazing. So Cryptical Science also saying, hey Rove, what do you think will be a good re-entry for VeChain after taking profits? I mean, Cryptical Science, I already talked about VeChain. Guys, I will be going into the tweet in a second once again, but for everyone who did not like this tweet yet here, make sure to go to the Twitter page. Make sure to like this tweet. That would be absolutely insane if we can get this one to 100 likes, because then he is seeing it as well. We can be pushing this to new all-time high. So I will be checking it in a second once again. But let me go back into the charts. But VeChain, I think VeChain is too overextended at the moment. I think VeChain is too overextended, so I'm staying away from it. But yeah, definitely, I should be maybe looking at different assets that haven't really exploded yet here. So I'm staying away from it right now. But Morris, you're saying I bought XRP for 80 cents euros. Do I sell it for 88? I mean, I should not be selling. I should not be selling your XRP in a loss here. I mean, oh sorry, you're selling your XRP in profit. You can be selling it right now. It's not a bad job here. I do think that in the long term, Cardano is going to see more momentum to the upside getting created, but I don't think XRP is over yet here. XRP is definitely. I mean, you're maybe freaking out right now because XRP is moving to the downside, but XRP is forming a huge bull flag. So, do you really want to get out of XRP? I don't think so. I don't think so that you want to get out of XRP right now. So. Nas also donating to the channel. Thank you for £2. You're saying you're smashing it with your channel. Well done. What are the best alts? And I mean, I've been talking about the best alt for quite a long time on the channel already. And for me, my best alt, it's still particularly cheap, guys. 62 cents right now. I mean, I will be saying I told you so on this one. I will be saying I told you so on this one, and you can't say that I haven't talked enough about it. But this will be one of my biggest gems here in the coming bull run. This coin will be surprising you guys. You're having a very good buying opportunity right now, and keep your eyes out on it. But do your own research, read their white paper, go to their site, read something about it. But it's definitely a very exciting project. So. And I'm also saying, DOT retested on the 1 hour already, and it's right now exploding. So yeah, I mean, on the 1 hour, we are maybe already seeing the breakout. And yes, it is indeed exploding to the upside. And it's pretty unfortunate that we're seeing this breakout right now coming in here. But I mean, yeah, the 1 hour, you have to be drawing it a little bit different, as you can see over here. Oh, this is a pretty big one. But you can see over here, yeah, the 1 hour already retested. That's true. But I will be waiting for the 4 hour retest. I will be not rushing into anything here because that's not my strategy. My strategy is not to rush into anything, guys. And I mean, yeah, you can see, oh, guys, you are all liking this tweet. Already 65 likes here. Hopefully he's going to reply to it. Hopefully he's going to reply to it. So, Margaret, just buy it. Yeah, it would be, of course, absolutely insane, guys. Absolutely insane. If you are liking this tweet, we can be pushing it to more people. Let's work all together. Let's work all together and crush it. And let's get everyone exposed to crypto. So, guys, maybe we can do this every single stream. Let's do this. Let's do it every single stream. And then we will be discussing who we are going to push the tweet to. So, we're going to try and get the most amount of people exposed to crypto. And how we are going to do it is, of course, working together. So, guys, in the next stream, we're going to do another one. And you can be, of course, in the next stream, I will be just asking it. So make sure to get a good person that probably will be very cool. Yeah, of course, already think of a good person who we can be pushing it towards in the next week. But definitely looking forward to it already, guys. Definitely looking forward to it. So let's see what we're going to do. Yeah, it's already exploding, but I will be waiting for the 4 hour retest. I don't rush into anything. So also Sherfin donating to the channel, and you're saying, how can I double 100k in the immediate short term? And what do you think best about the Polkadot? What do you think about Polkadot? Polkadot. Let me check it real quickly. Oh, I mean, it just recently got launched. Not a lot of information about it, so for me, it's really hard to give my opinion about it. I mean, it was getting launched on Polka. This one was getting launched on Polkadot, if I say it correctly, right? So let me get the Polka starter site in front of me. Polkadot, yeah, Polkadot was getting launched over here. I've not bought it yet, so maybe it will be very exciting. It dropped pretty significantly from the approximately price that it was getting launched on. So it was sitting around 10K, right now sitting around $24. So don't know exactly what it is doing. I have to read in the fundamentals, but usually these coins, like I told you before, these coins from Polkadot are performing very good. Of course, you want to be looking at the technicals as well. You want to be looking at the fundamentals as well. But guys, I recently already showed this one on the channel. You can see over here, these are all coins from Polkadot, and the ROI is pretty high on them. So I believe that these coins will probably do very good. And Polkadot is definitely a coin that you want to be looking into. You want to be reading. You want to be doing your research. But I will be definitely looking into it because it's right now providing a very good buying opportunity because it dropped pretty significantly from the starting price. So maybe I have to be buying into it right away here after the stream. But I will be doing my research. Hopefully, it can be giving us very good returns. But yeah, you're saying, how can I double 100K in the immediate short term? There are multiple ways here. You can be buying into very good projects. You can be just buying. You can be just buying some Chainlink. You can be just buying some Chainlink, or you can be, let's say, leverage trading with a 2x on Chainlink, and you can be doing it pretty quickly as well. Of course, you want to be doing it, of course. I don't know what your financial situation is. I don't know if 100K is 100% of your portfolio or so. But I definitely think there are a lot of possibilities to still 2x your initial from here on. So let's see what we're going to do. Who will win the bull run? Link or Dot? I think if you're it really depends. If you're Dean Harvey, if you're right now asking me which coin will be giving you better ROI, Link or Dot, I think I have to say Link. Because yeah, the market capitalization is also lower of Link currently, and it will probably give you better returns in the coming weeks, in my opinion. Especially if I'm talking about the coming 2 or 3 weeks. I think Chainlink and Polkadot, both of them are going to see a very good follow-through and create to the upside. But I definitely feel the most excited right now about the price section of Link. I definitely feel most excited about it. Chain Games maybe. Chain Games is also a very good project. I mean, they have not done. I know Chain Games. The funny part about Chain Games is sitting pretty high, and they did 0 things about marketing, and it's right now sitting at 34 cents, and it's giving you a very good buying opportunity, in my opinion. Of course, the volume is also dropping off pretty significantly. I was talking about Chainlink was sitting at 7 cents, and the CEO. The funny part about it, guys, the CEO of Chain Games, he was watching the stream, guys. That was absolutely insane. The CEO of Chain Games, he was watching the stream, and he was chilling around with us, and that was really a very cool thing. It was really a very cool thing here that he was watching the stream, and yeah, of course, I've been talking to him. It's a very exciting project, but he has done nothing with marketing yet. He told me, and he's not going to do it anytime soon. He's just purely focusing on working with different partners, working with different games to get Chain Games into a lot of projects, to build it up very quickly. So I do feel very excited about Chain Games. I think the future is pretty bright as well for Chain Games. So definitely keep your eyes out on this one. I think this one is definitely worth to check out, guys. And for everyone, I think if I refresh it, just oh yeah, on my page is right now currently only 2 subscribers away before reaching. I mean, 1 subscriber away from here, but sometimes it just reloads a little bit later. But guys, thank you already for the 33.3K here. We're crushing through levels. Also this tweet, guys, what are we doing? 80 likes already, guys. We just tweeted this tweet just 8 minutes ago. We are absolutely crushing it. So very cool that everyone is liking this tweet, because we want to be pushing it, of course, to him. Look at this savage. It's absolutely funny, of course, to see this. So hopefully we can be pushing it. Hopefully he can be reacting to our tweet. That would be absolutely insane. If he can be reacting to our tweet, that would be amazing. He's tweeting quite a lot here as well. Maybe I have to do it to a different person next time. So definitely, guys, make sure to follow me as well on Twitter, because tomorrow in the next stream we will be doing another tweet to a different person. We're going to push it to a different person, and of course, yeah, make it bigger to get more people exposed to crypto. And of course, we want to have big people that are getting exposed to crypto, because that can definitely help us. But look at this, Polkadot is really showing to follow through. 45 US dollar right now. It's absolutely blasting off to the upside. And this looks particularly good here. This looks particularly good here. I definitely think we're going to move up quite significantly. So what you currently can see here is Chainlink, of course. Chainlink is looking still also pretty good here. So let me know if you have some requests for me. So let me also go into the price section of Ethereum, guys. Yesterday as well, we did a video about Ethereum. We were talking about Ethereum, of course, recently crushing through the all-time high. Since crushing through the all-time high, it really started to show volatility to the upside. And I can see Bitcoin dropping off for a little bit right now, so it's pretty exciting, as you can see. But yeah, you can see Ethereum, exactly the daily candles, guys. This is not coincidence. This is just pure technical analysis once again here. You can see the 1.618, and guys, you know, if you're already watching the channel for quite a long time here, you know on the channel that we were saying the 2,518 US dollars is exactly the target that you should be taking your profits on Ethereum in the immediate short term. Yes, probably it will be moving up higher, but in my opinion, already securing in some profits around the 2,518. If you're in a leverage trade especially, it is definitely not a bad job here. So let's see what it is going to do, but it's definitely providing you a very good opportunity here. And I see that Polkadot is really showing a lot of vol to guys right now. It's absolutely insane to see. But yeah, currently Ethereum is stopping out of here. Let's see where it's heading towards, but it definitely looks very exciting in my opinion. But yeah, look at Bitcoin, guys. People are freaking out of Bitcoin. Why should you be freaking out of Bitcoin? I never freak out of Bitcoin. It's seeing a minor correction. Please, I see a lot of people, once again, freaking out of Bitcoin. Guys, please. It is, first of all, we are still in an uptrend. Look at this. We're still in an uptrend, and this still looks pretty healthy. Second of all, we are in a weekend. And third of all, we are in a descending broadening wedge, which usually breaks through the upside after 3 touch points on the lower side. So, do I still think that we're going to break through the upside? Yes, I do think so. Do I still have to feel bullish on Bitcoin? Yes, I do feel so. So, do you still want to be getting exposed to Bitcoin? Yes, I do think so. Do you want to be accumulating swing trade positions on Bitcoin? Yes, you have to do so. So at least these are my strategies. I feel very excited about my strategy, and as well, if you look at the Bitcoin dominance, guys, it is absolutely going for a plunge. Still going for a plunge. Not going to stop anytime soon here. I mean, we are right now trading on support, to be honest. To be really honest, for the Bitcoin dominance, we are right now trading at a critical support level. So I do want to be seeing I'm currently in a Bitcoin trade, and if we're going to see this Bitcoin dominance bouncing back to the upside, this will be the level that we'll probably have to look at, because this will be a level that that will be probably also providing a lot of support for Bitcoin. So let's see what it will be doing. I do feel that we can be seeing a bounce created from this level, because you can see previous support right now touching it once again. The Bitcoin dominance just can't fall so quickly to the downside, and maybe we're going to see a dead cat bounce and then of course go for the next plunge. But usually it has to have the bounce anytime soon here. It's getting pretty oversold. So I do think that we can be seeing a bounce to the upside. And of course, if we're seeing this bounce to the upside, I think Bitcoin will be setting new all-time highs, and Bitcoin will be just partially stealing the show. So let's see what it will be doing, but I do feel very excited about it. And like I told you before, you have to know what I currently think, and my strategy, what I'm currently doing here. I've been telling this yesterday as well. I've been telling this the day before, and I think you have to have very good strategies. And guys, for everyone who doesn't know it yet here, what are we going to see for Bitcoin? What are we going to see for the cryptocurrency space, and where can you be making the most amount of gains? So I will be giving you my explanation, what probably will be happening in the coming week here, because I want to do already my prediction for the coming week, what Bitcoin is going to do, and the altcoins and the cryptocurrency space in general. So what we are going to do here is, previous week, we were seeing the large caps exploding. We were seeing the large cap exploding, and how the market is working. It always works in this cycle. So you can see Bitcoin making profits, the Bitcoin profits shifting into big altcoins, big altcoin profits shifting into lower altcoin profits. So that is always what's happening. So we can see here these low cap altcoins were not really exploding yet here. But what you can right now see here is that the big cap altcoins are right now exploding. You can see Dogecoin exploding, Litecoin exploding, XRP exploding. You have Uniswap exploding, Chainlink exploding, VeChain exploding. So what we will be seeing here in the coming week, in my opinion, what we're going to see in the coming week here, is first of all, Bitcoin will be gaining once again. Bitcoin will be gaining good momentum in the coming week. And besides that, the Bitcoin is going to gain. We're also going to see the minor cap, the small caps, absolutely skyrocket to the upside. I think we're going to see insane gains for the smaller caps. So I'm already exposed to a lot of these smaller caps in my own position, but I definitely think that we're going to see a lot of small caps going to go exponentially to the upside, because we're right now seeing the big caps pumping, and always big caps pumping a week later or a few days later, small caps pumping. So I definitely think the market structure will be playing out the same as always. So I mean, these cycles, you guys, you want to be knowing how it works. And I mean, I've been in this space for such a long period of time. And it always is being the same here. So definitely don't expect it will be different. So keep your eyes out on small caps. I think we're absolutely going to see a plunge. We're absolutely going to see 100, 300% pumps in a day. Keep your eyes out on next week. Next week will be one of the exciting weeks we are having here in the cryptocurrency space. Altcoins going to blast up to the upside. Bitcoin, of course, also going to create follow through. So I'm already looking forward to next week, guys. Today's Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow we'll be doing, of course, also another live stream. But I see also 3D Nick right now asking me, what is your first target for ADA? My first target for ADA, of course, I don't have. I was looking at this. I was looking for at the ascending triangle. You can see here, ascending triangle getting forward on a bigger time frame. Of course, we were seeing a fake out on the top so getting created, but sometimes you have these kinds of things. So my price target for ADA will be around $2. Still another 30% move approximately to the upside. So is it worth to get exposed to ADA right now? I say 30%. It's even more than 30%. From the point on where we are right now, it is even more than 30%. So definitely feel very excited. It's even 40%. So definitely worth to get exposed to ADA right now. But my price target is sitting around at $2. It will be reached earlier than expected, in my opinion. So looking forward to it, of course. Definitely think we can be creating huge volatility anytime soon here. So that is a reason why I'm also in a swing trade position right now on ADA, and I also made a special video on the channel about it recently. And I mean, I'm not making these videos. I always say, put your money where your mouth is. You want to be putting your money where your mouth is. I don't want to be saying fake things here. I don't want to be saying things and don't really go into it as well, because everything what I'm saying here on the channel is really a thing that I stand behind myself as well. So, of course, also with Polkadot, like I told you before, I definitely feel very excited about Polkadot. Polkadot heading towards the $46 already is absolutely blasting off here. But guys, I will be not counted speaking myself. I will be only entering on a retest. And I think, yeah, there can be a retest coming here. A symmetrical triangle finally seeing the breakout. But I will be only entering on a retest. But definitely feel very excited about it. I can't wait to see where we are heading towards. You can see some other altcoins are cooling off, but you can see DOT is right now taking the spotlight. So the bakery also donated to me here, and you're saying, hey, Crypto Rover, good morning. Is there a bullish divergence on VeChain? Thanks from Amsterdam. So very cool that you're tuning in from Amsterdam, and for everyone who's also in Amsterdam or in the Netherlands, make sure to help me to push this tweet to this Mark Rutte. It would be, of course, very amazing if we can do so. So I see also right away a request coming in from Wesley still, examples for small caps. So I will be going into examples for small caps in a second. I have a lot of them, and I will be specifically looking at NFTs and DeFis, because I think the NFT and DeFi sector are absolutely ready to blast off once again here. So that is my reason why I will be looking to especially small caps in these sectors. So wait a second, we'll be first going into the request of the bakery. After that, I will be looking for your request of small caps. So you're saying, is there a bullish divergence on VeChain? So first of all, everything is looking healthy still. Is there a bullish divergence right now on the price section of VeChain? I don't know. No, there's not a bullish divergence right away. We'll be saying it. We're still in the drop off right now. The market was looking healthy because we were setting just higher highs in the RSI, higher high in the price chart. So I mean, this is normal market structure. We're not seeing a divergence playing out at the moment. So yes, on the 4-hour, there can be a possibility that we're going to see a reversal, that we're going to see something like this playing out here, and that we're going to see a correction, and maybe setting a lower high in the RSI, and then you can be forming a bullish divergence. But at the moment, you're not forming a bullish divergence yet here. The market is still looking healthy. I don't think it's rather easy. It's easier than to create a bearish divergence than a bullish divergence after such a fast run up. So please don't get fooled here. I mean, yeah, it is pretty overextended VeChain. It's pretty overextended, so I'm staying away from it. But it's definitely getting exposed to it right now. It's not a bad job. It's not a bad job. So let's see what it is going to do here. So let's see what we're going to do. Let me see what we're going to do here. So you were asking me for some small caps. So I mean, some small caps that I very like. First of all, starting off with MFTs. I mean, I'm usually exposed to Superfarm. First of all, this one is definitely a project that you want to be looking at. Only 258 million. I will be already calling this a small cap. I'm talking about, once I'm saying small caps, I'm saying 400 million minus. This one definitely keep your eyes out on this one. I mean, it's definitely probably going to give you very good returns. So Polkadot also pretty altcoin, low altcoin in terms of market capitalization as well. Keep your eyes out on that one as well. I mean, Eternity Chain, I think this one is also imminent to see a move to the upside getting created. Also pretty low market cap. I mean, I can talk about a lot of these projects. They're all very good projects, very good fundamentals, but they haven't been pumping up to the upside. But definitely the period will be coming, especially in the coming week, because there are a lot of gains right now being made in the bigger altcoin caps, and it will be probably shifting them to lower altcoin caps. And I definitely feel very excited about that one. So that's my reason why I will be staying away, about why I will be keeping my eyes out on it. Also, Marlin Pond is definitely a very exciting project. It's already, I mean, it's been moving up pretty steadily to the upside, but I definitely think we have not been parabolic going. We have not went parabolic to the upside. I already bought this one at 4 cents. Yeah, relatively cheap, already 5x up here. Marlin, very good project. Keep your eyes out on it. Definitely will be exploding. And I mean, UDEP is also definitely one of them. I mean, it is right now doing nothing here. We've been accumulating, at least I have been accumulating a lot of UDEP. I mean, buying UDEP around 60 cents is definitely worth to do so. Please do your research, look at it, think twice, and it's definitely going to give us very good returns. And I think in general, it is a very good asset that you want to be trading here. So I mean, also I think the likes of AVE will be also increasing, even though this is not a small cap. But I mean, everything below, above the top 20 will be above the top 30, above the top 20 will be performing very good. Just like the Graph will be probably performing very good here. Phantom will be performing very good. 1inch will also be performing very good. I mean, I can't even call a coin that will be not performing very good. I mean, Band Protocol is also one that you have to keep your eyes out on. But guys, there's so many projects that I can talk about that will be probably exploding. Probably 90% of the cryptocurrency space will be exploding, and of course you want to be in a position with the most amount of gains. But yeah, in general, you can't buy anything wrong in my opinion right now. ONG, anything good here? So ONG, I mean, Origin Protocol is not a bad project, but I don't like to buy coins that are exponentially growing, you know. Of course, we are in a bull market and everything is exponentially growing, but I mean, this one is going too fast to the upside. So in my opinion, it feels like this one is already done with the pump, and maybe you're buying into consolidation right now, you're buying into a low. But I would rather, like the projects that I just told you, these are not overextended. These are already dropped off pretty significantly. That's the reason why I want to be buying into projects that are already cooled off for pretty, quite a long time already. So Bitcoin, cooling off for a second. Nothing to worry about. Like I told you before, Bitcoin is still on the uptrend on the 1 hour. Nothing to worry about, guys. Of course, if we're really good to see an even stealther red candle, it will be pretty bearish. But at the moment, I don't think it's necessarily bearish for Bitcoin. So let's see what we're going to do. Thanks, mate. No problem, Wesley. No problem, Wesley. Always doing this for you. Love it to give my thoughts, of course, on the market. And guys, yeah, let's see what we're going to do. And absolutely exciting. It's here. Also, 4,500 followers already on Twitter. Absolutely insane. For everyone who's right now following me on Twitter, big shout out to you. 90 followers. Thank you so much for following me on Twitter. So let me look at the trades real quickly, because yeah, Bitcoin is falling off. Trades also going a little bit down here, but I'm not all too worried, to be honest. I'm not all too worried. For my Litecoin trade, look at how close I was with taking profits here. I was already lost 300%. So I mean, yes, it's $600, $700. It's not all too bad here. But I will be just waiting on this one. Probably will be going up. So nothing to worry about here. We'll be taking soon profits on my trade here, but not yet. Not yet. We'll be only looking forward to it. But of course, like I told you before, definitely want to be opening a live trade in the stream, but sometimes you are just not getting the opportunity, what is pretty unfortunate. But yeah, Polkadot is absolutely taking a sky-high candle here, $47 for Polkadot. Guys, even 48, we're absolutely taking a big green candle to the upside. This is insane to see. By when do you think Link will be breaking out? I will be going into Link in a second. Diva Deep, thank you for asking me once again here. But let me go into Link in a second, because yes, guys, an asset that I'm trading a lot here as well is Chainlink. I will be probably building a bigger position up, because I think it will be going even more exponential to the upside. But I see a lot of people talking about Polkadot right now in the chat. But yeah, Polkadot is absolutely going for a blast off to the upside since breaking out of this resistance line on the 1 hourly. You can see here 10% move already. If you took this one, I mean, you're absolutely crushing it. But I will be staying on the sidelines. Rushing into a trade right now is never good. I mean, if you're rushing into trades after a 10% pump in just a matter of 2 hours, you're absolutely getting wrecked here, guys. You don't want to be that guy who's getting wrecked right now, right? You don't want to be that one that is getting wrecked here, and that's the reason why I'm staying on the sidelines right now. So yeah, for Polkadot, I definitely still feel very excited about it. Down sloping resist line. We will be probably seeing a retest, even though it's pretty significant correction if we're going to see that. So I don't think that we're necessarily will be getting it. Also setting a new all-time high, of course, for the price section of Polkadot. And if you look to the Polkadot compared to Bitcoin valuation, guys, this is the most important chart that you do want to be looking at. And the Polkadot compared to Bitcoin valuation is trading against resistance once again. So can we be seeing a smash through of this level? Can we be seeing a smash through of this level and then having a retest of the previous all-time high? And this will be a real confirmation that we really have to open a big position. So let's see if we can get this one. I would definitely love to see if we can be getting this retest coming in for Polkadot compared to Bitcoin. Will be definitely very lovely, because then we can be accumulating our big position, of course. So I can't wait to see where we are heading towards. So the coming 2 hours and 50 minutes, I mean the coming day in general, will be very exciting. Can we be special for this level, guys? Let me know in the chat if you think so. When to take profits on DOT. I mean, taking profits always once you're sitting at all-time highs is never bad. But if you look at this chart, you can see we're trading against resistance. So taking profits once you're trading against resistance is never a bad job. So let me also set up some extension levels to look at the Fibonacci chart where we probably can be heading towards. Let me set it up from here, to be honest. We'll be setting it up from here. So let's see what we're going to do here. I mean, if you look at this extension levels, you can see My first major resistance target for Polkadot will be probably around the $52. $52 is my first target that we're probably going to see because we're breaking out of this symmetrical triangle. I mean, the price target of the symmetrical triangle, if you want to be looking at the price target for the symmetrical triangle, it really matches the $52. So where should you be taking profits? If you're in the symmetrical triangle trade here, definitely the $52 is your take profit area. I think we can be reaching it very quickly. If we can be already seeing it over here. Maybe we don't even need a retest, but I will be not rushing into it. If I miss this one, I will be just sitting on the sidelines and looking for the next trade possibility, guys. I mean, sometimes it's better to stay away from it. I mean, especially once it's already seeing the breakout. I'm never rushing to anything. You're farming also bearish divergence over here, setting a high in the price rate, low high in the RSI. So, of course, this will be probably invalidated. But for the moment, I will be standing on the sidelines. So let's see what we're going to do. And someone, Alex is also saying, take profit level on the triangle. So yeah, triangle, I mean, it's matching the $52. That is the reason why I should be taking some good profits over there. So definitely worth to do so. And guys, by the way, I see we're currently having 1,300 live viewers, guys, and we're currently also only 18 more likes away from the 700 likes. Guys, can we be smashing it up to 700 likes? Only 18 more likes. Would be amazing if we can do so. Will be absolutely sick if we can do so. Polkadot creating a minor wick on the top side, but still looking particularly good, guys. Looking forward to see if we can take this trade on Polkadot. So Dean Harvey also saying, AVEX chart, please. Thinking of swapping some Bitcoin to AVEX. Let me look at this. AVEX compared to Bitcoin first of all, because you want to be looking at the Bitcoin comparison if you want to be if you want to get exposed to this one. So you can see here. First of all, right away we'll be saying this, Dean Harvey. I will be flipping this one to the gray once again. Let me make it less. A little bit like this once again. Maybe we're going to use a different color here on the channel. Let me use this one. I think this one is also very nice. Nice color, guys. So sometimes I like to match up some colors. So yeah, you can see over here, supportive box here, supportive box over here. You can see getting created here, supportive box, and you're finding support on this level over here. So I mean, I will be flipping it gray once again because I just like the boring stuff, you know. But you can see over here, yeah, having a retest of this level, finding support on this level, very exciting to see. Also creating an uptrend here on the Bitcoin valuation. So yes, you are having a stealth run up here on AVEX, and you're right now correcting towards this level. So yeah, you're trading at support. So it's definitely, if you look to the Bitcoin comparison, it's definitely providing you the opportunity. But also let me look at the US dollar valuation. Will be amazing if we can see it also playing out over here. And the US dollar valuations also looks very exciting, guys. What you can see over here, you're creating a pretty stealth uptrend over here in the US dollar valuation. After a huge run up here, you corrected, but right now it looks like that you're forming higher lows and then higher high once again. So this is also looking particularly good here, in my opinion. Also breaking this down with resistance line. Of course, we want to be seeing a crush for the all-time high. But for me, this chart is pretty hard to read here. To be really honest with you, this chart is pretty hard to read. So let me set up a Fibonacci here from swing high to swing low to look at the retracement levels. You can see, yeah, we are getting rejected by this level multiple times. 0.5, of course, very important level that you want to be breaking. What you can currently see here is previously you were finding a lot of support on this. You were getting rejected where you went lower. And right now started a new trend to the upside, so definitely see where it is heading towards. I mean, I don't particularly like this chart, to be honest, because it's not really showing me the significance, but it looks to be that you're maybe forming some kind of an ascending triangle here. Ascending triangles, of course, very ascending triangles, very bullish bias patterns. So let's see what it will be breaking out to. I do think we're going to see a breakout to the upside, but of course, once you're creating an ascending triangle and to the downside, it is also a possibility that you're going to see a break to the downside. So this is the best opportunity right now. I mean, I don't particularly like the chart in the US dollar valuation. Bitcoin valuation is looking a little bit better, but yeah, let's see what it will be doing. Hopefully you can be making good gains here, because yes, if it's going to break to the upside, and yes, we are in a bull market, and yes, we are, like I told you before, I think these small altcoins, the altcoins in general, will be absolutely blasting off to the upside. I think we can be seeing insane gains to be made here on this chart as well. And these are, of course, the daily candles, so already consolidated for quite a long time here, so probably going to see a breakout anytime soon here to the upside getting created. So I feel very excited about this one, Dean Harvey. So that's very, very exciting to see here. Very exciting to see, and hopefully we can be making good gains on it. So guys, what I can currently see, we're currently live for 2 hours, but I have some things planned still for me. Today my day is pretty busy, so what I will be doing today, guys, I can already say to you, later today you can be expecting another video from me. I will be making a video especially probably about Polkadot. I will be making a video about Polkadot, why I do think that we have to be taking this trade and why I do think we can be making very good gains. And maybe if I see something different, maybe in Chainlink I see a very good opportunity, or maybe on Litecoin, or maybe something else, I will be making a specific video about the altcoin where I will be taking a trade on, and I will be also doing it live in a video, and will be of course giving you the setup as well to take this trade altogether. So if you're interested in that, make sure to smash up the likes right now on the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button on the channel, because we will be doing it later today. But guys, I have to wrap up the stream right now. Unfortunately, it is a short live stream. Maybe tonight I will be doing an extra live stream. Maybe I will be doing that video. Don't know for sure what I'm going to do yet here. But guys, unfortunately, I have to head out right now. And I see also the latest request is still coming in from Adam. And you're saying GRT prediction for the couple of weeks. I mean, GRT will be absolutely blasting off here. Final request that I will be doing, final thing that I will be going into was 56 is he currently sitting around. Yeah, the graph here, 57. Prediction for the coming weeks. I definitely feel very excited about GRT. I think it can be moving up pretty significantly. And if you're talking about a couple of weeks, if you want to know a prediction for the end of April, I think we're going to see a $4 GRT by the end of April. I think we can double already the price action of GRT. I feel very excited about cryptocurrency space in general right now. So that is my reason why I do feel like you can be accumulating a lot of GRT right now. But guys, unfortunately, I have to head out right now. It was an amazing stream. I will be back tomorrow at the same time approximately with this live stream. So already looking forward to it. And yeah, like I told you before, you can be expecting a video from me. So make sure to also hit that bell notification right now on the channel, because then you are kept up to date about every single thing here. But guys, that was it for the stream. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be checking you guys later in a new stream. Goodbye.